Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Down it to the flipping world.
Everybody make it get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Get right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna put my phone, you know. I'm gonna put me on that phone, man. I don't know. People something not going with TikTok tonight, here, I don't know what. Other people too, you know. They like it, the things are going on with TikTok tonight, yeah. Other people are go through it too, you know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know who gonna put the phone there, you know. I had it, man. Anyway. Wagwan people, wagwan. Let me see if Yeah, Gloria Palmer, big up Chokisha, large up and thing. Everything is everything. TamFam has big up on herself. Alright, nobody no link me, but nothing for do with phone, you know, because I don't know where the phone is. I always put it down, walk and put it down all both, you know. Anyway, wagwan people, wagwan, big up on yourself, you know. Everything is everything. I is our day here. Blessings and respect as is customary, as usual, this and that and Ray. Wagwan with them, everything balance up. Everything good. See that, yo, something that going on with TikTok, man. Like, things just a blackout. Things are blackout, you know? Yeah. I don't see it, but on the back end, like, all of the metrics, them. See, billionaire lady, I see him thing I reach you. Yeah, me said that people are complaining about it. It's a whole day. A beer sitting there going, I don't see it come up back then, you know. Anytime you see that I go on, they might initiate some changes in the algorithm. You know when you watch the Matrix and like you see something weird go on, anybody who watch the Matrix and whatever, like you see something, when I'm in the Matrix and something weird going on, and somebody say, what that? And I must say, no, when every time the machine them I go on with look a thing and whatever, you know, it cause look a problem in our code, you know. Personified in the Mr. Smith character, who wasn't a person, he was a machine, but you don't know anything. But anyway, so when you see these little funny things in the system and whatever, you know, yeah, the controllers, them up to them thing, them are going with them sitting and whatever, and when them are make them changes, there, whatever, boom. Well, I don't know, I say, I'm talking a code, and if you're not follow news, you're not going to understand what I say, but nobody posts anything in our chat, right? Because we're not stay upon this. So, you know, say CBS get take over, right? Yeah, CBS News get take over, and all media associated with it. And now Paramount, you see the whole thing there with Netflix and Paramount, Warner Brothers, Time Warner, the whole thing there. So Paramount now own CNN and Natalie English by who? That's my point. If you're not did a watching news, you're not gonna understand what me I say. So just work with it. But I post nothing in that chat. And the same people them now who are gonna own Time Warner, i.e. CNN, Discovery, the World Works and whatever. Them own TikTok now. And if anybody know what that makeup is, you know. Some things that people use it, there's some things we used to go on TikTok, they not go on anymore. Just like how it used to go on Facebook and Instagram and not go on anymore. Or even if it go on, it not go out like how it usually do, you know. Miss Kane just say, why? Me make somebody else say them something, me not discuss that. Me a old man. And me a idiot. I be a laugh and talk about Mixup and all these things and whatever. So me not have no sense. So me keep it right there. So me not have no sense. The only sense me have is for know say Dr. Mac is the right woman for me. That are the only Yo, that are the only sense me have. Don't it, Dr. Mac? No, that's the thing there. Yeah. Yeah, that are the only sense me have. That are the only thing me know right now. Yeah. The only thing me know is that Dr. Mac is the right woman for me. Pink Floyd did it for 10 years now, probably are going to 11th year. Canadian can't sort out, them sort out pop down. And Gemelli sort out is the worst, right? Right. These are the things that I know. Right? I don't know anything else. And then we don't know nothing else. Alright. Angie, what the art for? What the art for? Eh? What the art for? Eh? You even go watch 2 local video and then try to, practice and all that something they don't. Hey. People, you have some woman, you see, them out there and make a whole heap of money. When we say good money, I teach class, I teach women how to wine when they end up on top. Not even just tap, but how to do so. Me don't know if you see the video them. Right? Who see the video? Yeah, man, it's a thing out there now, Right? Them have run these classes and thing, and a woman up there, and you want to see them. Them not know 140, man. I tell you, see them not do none. You want to see them when they look and say, yeah, and the whole class are following, and they're making money. Like when we check it out, them are clean up, right? And by our standards, Jamaican, Caribbean standard, TikTok is just going crazy, man. By our standards, them not know 140 what them are doing, No, me I tell you, say, no local style and nothing in all you want to see them. Yes, and then you can go over, and then you can come back. Yeah. And the whole class, the people that pay them big money come for them class, Right? People, when me I tell you, say, by our standards, Them thing weak, you know, man. Flap out, you know. Nothing go on this, so, you know. But Carib girl say, even out to wine, if you want to get pregnant, you gotta be joking. Wait, voila, you have a pregnant wine? Yeah, I see him do, you know. You have some woman, I believe, I'm not an authority on that, but over the years in talking to women, a lot of women will tell you that I don't think it's universal, right? I don't think it applies to every woman. But a lot of women know a position where they're more likely to get pregnant. Yeah, man, you have enough woman will tell you, say, no, you see that, but like, every time I breathe at a position, I did in I so and so and so. But it's not the same for everybody doing, you know. But I don't know. But enough woman claim say them know the position where they're more likely if you know, if they want to breed. Some will say backers, some will say foot on shoulder, some will say lizard lap, some would say, you know, them just women have these things like they, you know, there's a certain position where individually we make them get. Yo, people, I'm not stay along tonight because TikTok I just go crazy. TikTok is something I go on. I don't know if the drama and the war we are going and whatever and sitting and whatever, but Carla Stewart, I was about to say Butterfoot Java me. Are the people them over YouTube? Turn on the AI icon, Raga. We are said to me, we don't even know we are. Kimberly, we don't even know we are. Right? But the AI in there, because only not see it, you know, but the AI keep on come up and it has synopsize everything when me I say, but only not see it. It's a new thing now. I don't know what it is. I mean, I worry about it and stress, right, you know. But over YouTube, Carla, you pick on Java. You can't manage Java, you know, Carla. Carla, you can't manage Java. Right? You can't manage Java. So go easy, Carla. You can't manage Java. Don't go for that word. Do not go for that word, Carla. You can't manage Java. Where's the file? Java have your file. Cause Java know about the thing when man Shelly out for a 3-finger banana and kidney. Yeah. One woman named Carla over YouTube. Yeah, dash out give her a man 3-finger boiled banana and kidney. Mm-hmm. Yeah, new name for Carla Stewart. I don't know if she get that last name there. Another name for Carla Stewart, Carla Kidney Banana. Yeah, new name for Carla, and you can call her Kidney Banana. Yeah, this what she did, man. You understand? And she a Java, she go stop it over there, right? You know, like she don't know, say, Java mouth, bilious, right? Dog bites a 2-finger banana him the deer. Me no know a 3 me the deer. Me not reduce our banana count. You see, why me no know? See, it's a people in a box and a banana in a box. No. Kidney banana Carla Stewart, right? Me no know how you get that lot. Carla Stewart, why you not say a she? Hell no. Watch ya? Then who for she when are you? Are you take a 3-finger banana with kidney? Kidney not really. Kidney is more for breakfast, don't? Well, by Jamaican standards, kidney is more for breakfast. Now so you go. People, no, so you go. Kidney is more for breakfast, right? Yeah. Monica say, yeah, one done. Yeah. Yeah, kidney is more for breakfast, you know. I don't know how it comes, but kidney, even liver is more for breakfast. You know, some people cook it for dinner and thing. Yeah, real diamond. Some people will cook it for dinner, you know, white rice, you say, and whatever, but I don't know. Most of the time, I say kidney for breakfast. Even the 1 and 2 places, them will serve it up here. The 1 and 2 places, them will serve it up here. It's always a breakfast. Hello?
Hey, hello.
What?
Me want you alone me, you know. You come, no beard, boy. Boy, when I beard, low me, yeah? Low me.
So we at a punchline there you use. At a punchline there you used to come kill me now. When them eat
let me alone, no beard, boy. Boy, when I beard. A Java first started. So you know, sister.
What Java start with? What Java start with? What you mean? What Java start? What Java start with? What Java did start?
Look good in night, but nah beard boy. Leave me alone. Them man forget more than 3 finger banana and 2 piece of
no, if you go done me, you go done. If you done me, I go give you permission for come with a different punchline. I'm going to see if you can come on.
Lucky him get that.
Bill, what you mean? Him lucky him get that? What you mean?
That me say. Him lucky him get 3 finger banana and like a kidney. He provide none.
Well, why you flip the thing? Because it look like you try to flip the thing and confuse the people.
Nah, beard boy, go on.
No, the man from Manly Meadows down at Kingston
lucky.
there. Manly Meadows, back a white name there. Is him give you the 3 finger banana with kidney? It's you eat the 3 finger banana and the kidney for the sort out. Right? You get the man sort out for 3 finger banana and kidney. The man from Manly Meadows. The security guard man from Manly Meadows. Him used to work over Bellevue and then him go work for MPM, National Parks and Management, and then put him up Emancipation Park up at New Kingston. The one who used to work at Bellevue and he left Bellevue work and go over your house and whatever and thing like that and bring a 3 finger banana. Me hear about it, bring a 3 finger banana and kidney go give you, and you did dash out pan him and thing. Kidney banana, you can't chat to me. Kidney banana, you can't chat to me. I left you to Java.
I'm not afraid I need that you know Java Butterfoot Java.
Dog bite know the man name. I that him name for choose. Dog bite put him name there. You know over TikTok you know say. Dog bite put him name. The man name Neville. The man name Neville. And Neville the man name. Neville give you 3 finger boy banana and kidney and you dash out your sitting for that and thing and whatever.
Yeah, that short pink rose game.
But
what do you not red rose? Pink rose.
A pink rose, you call it? Carla, what on, a pink rose, you call it or something, dog? No, not name that. No, big up your name when you get something. I don't wrong here. When you say no red rose around here, big.
I Mixup and Blenda time.
You love Mixup.
I want a something. All right. Yeah, big up pink rose, you know. Because we know say pink rose got through it, you know. Woolly pa batterments. Woolly pa battering pink rose get and thing. Because we know say pink rose is not pink anymore. Pink rose is more like black and blue. Pink rose not pink anymore.
Hi,
pink rose black and blue. What's up, boo? What's going on?
What's going on, darling? How are you, my namesake?
Boy, I'm there. I give thanks, you know, my life and my namesake too, and whatever I see. Yeah.
Have a good thanks for life, you know.
Dog bite over, you still a beat you, you know.
That's a dog bite problem, you know. Dog bite, you go one side. Now, no time for you. Dog bite for later.
Yeah, it's a later for you, dog. Dog bite, she said
Dog bite.
later for you.
Dog bite. All right, till the doctor see him.
Yo, one woman over TikTok named Sinalicious. She just post and say, you know, sound writing.
That not making me used to it. Me used to that by now. You know, the man live.
Other
When man does near Bellevue.
Then near Bellevue, Manly Meadows, kind of the back of Bellevue, you know. Then that's why the man could have come over the fence and give the 3-finger banana with the kidney.
Then I must at least give me food.
But Sinalicious say you know sound righted and thing. She named Sinalicious, she say you know sound righted.
There's nothing wrong with that. And in that time I can write it. She said enough people not write it right now.
Okay, that's true.
Okay.
So what she stop with you for? How was she stop with you for?
I don't know. Lady, you know nothing about me. You know me lady Guanya.
Yes, Sina, she talk to you. She say you don't know nothing about her and thing and whatever. You come up past remarks about her. Like.
Nah, be a Raga. I love you. Bye.
Raga loves you too, boo. Big up yourself, all
yeah.
right?
And tell that woman if you love me. Lady, you don't know nothing about me. Go on, lady. Me not sound right. Now I'm nothing to do with me, lady. Check me out. Then you know if me not sound right. Come face to face.
Come face to face, Sinalicious. That caller say you're face to face. You there run up your mouth and talk about the woman right and whatever. Caller say come face to face. Right?
Make a walk left you.
I make you loud that down. Because it's always good for come face to face.
Make a walk left you.
Don't you, Carla? It's always good for come face to face, don't
I love you, baby.
you know, answer the question, you know. Don't it always good for come face to face, eh?
Raga, buy your two Mixup.
Let me tell you something.
You're not trying man to say you can't use the
Carla, you know, say some people, being serious, you know. Some people, you know, when them reach that point, you know, based on how them look when them reach that point, them not for sure them face, man. Them for just kind of hide them face. Cause some people look terrible when them reach that point, you know.
Like, where said the woman then you say, me not,
Sinalicious, she name.
Sinalicious,
yeah.
about you have to hide your face.
What you say when Sinalicious a pop up, she for hide her face, no?
Right?
Beat that, yes, oh, you mean? But you come pick by you.
Hide your face, Sinalicious, I'm going to push part of you. The name alone sound.
What? No, so weird. So you don't believe she's licious?
No. I mean, I want no one either.
Oh, you know what? No, but just suppose she knows that she's delicious.
That's she.
Okay.
That's she.
Okay, all right then, cool.
That one more know if dog bite delicious or fit. Dog bite though.
No, me no know nothing about that. That's none of my business, right? Leave that one there, no.
Yeah. Raga. Big up yourself.
It goes some man, blessings.
Love, you know?
Yeah, man, protection. Man.
Cool.
Yeah, man, cool. People don't know it going a police mix up or any other mix up or police mix up or any other mix. Right now, I kind of keep back and easy, you know, people, me telling you, you know, because again, all the creators, they've been complaining about it. There's something going on with TikTok or whatever, you know. We don't know, be a problem or sickness or whatever, you know. It happens. But them usually, one thing with TikTok, or them eventually iron out them thing, you know. Well, that, I don't know, I sleep last night. There are times when I'm working on some things, I'm just have to just go straight and deal with it, you know. So last night he was writing. I write, and sometimes when you get in a flow, you just have to go on, you know. Yeah, man, Caroline, I'm tired, man, and my eye red. Look how my eye red. Me see you sit down, I sleep last night. And then now, you know, my younger son and my daughter, them dep on spring break. So them come at 6:37 in the morning. Them mother drop them at 6:37 in the morning time, and them stay the whole day with me. So I couldn't sleep because you know, them have to forward and then forward. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm about to say something, and if anyone I want to say it, I wish all manner of destruction panono. Right? I'm about to say something, but me know somehow not tan, right? I don't know, I will come on and look at smart ass comments and thing, but anybody come up with anything smart ass and whatever. I want the heavens and the supernatural elements to identify anybody who make any little face to chat after me say when me book say I make crosses follow no, make retribution follow no, make you eat food, no food and still hungry. Yeah, make you go bathroom and bind up, right? And a strain and not. Yes, me want all kind of cross it follow no thing. Okay, so my story me I go say. Yes, so you know when my kids them down there, me cook for them, you know, and thing. But cook based on American standards, not Jamaican standards, right? By Jamaican standard, I'm not there. I'm not a good cook, you know? The run-of-the-mill thing or whatever, you know? But I can't cook. I don't cook. I don't know if I cook stew peas. I never cook oxtail. I could fry the hell out of chicken, though. Hell yeah. But everybody can fry chicken, no. All right. So the thing them everybody can do, me can do them. So me can cut up seasoning and just throw a tin mackerel in there, or sardine or whatever. But me not cook for whatever. I wanna know my chicken soup story. I wanna know my chicken soup story. Where it start out as the intention was brown stew chicken, and it end up being when my friend them taste it at school, them said, this is some real good soup, man. Some of us work with it. And he never knew say it was supposed to be brown stew chicken. And for years and years, that boy see me after we graduate and I think, and I tell everybody, say, I will go fish about help the kids. But fish, I will say, go help the kid, help the. Buffisha, you come by the people in social media with a little liar name about Buffisha. You probably not have nothing Buffy right there, so. Probably kukum you have. Bone in a what? Nothing a buff, that's a Buffisha, right? Triffy the beach, yeah, beat me too. Me tell him, say, you know, my younger son and them sister, them dep on spring break, so. Them mother drop them off with me a morning time early, 6:37, and then pick them up at evening or whatever. But I mean, cook for them and think throughout the day and whatever. But when I say cook, though, you know, hot dogs, burger. Yeah, hot dog burger, right? That me call cooking. That them call cooking too, yeah? All right. So, I don't know. I want about trust me about whatever. Yes, man. Yeah, Triffy boy sound like bolo slush. We ain't a gooey, man. We ain't a gooey woman. Gooey, no. Gooey, no. Me see your post video. Say you send man figure beat up your friend baby father. What a thing, What a thing. People, see her in the chat there. 33913. Check her page. She post one video because she said she upset when she get the message. Said 2 man beat up her friend baby father and she upset because she said she didn't pay for 3. If you think I like me, I tell go look on it and whatever. When you don't know what the mix-up is, whatever, she'll make it look like she'll look out for her friend and whatever. I think she didn't take a baby father. And the baby father go back to his friend. And I saw she said, man, if go beat up a man. She go hire 250,000 man if go beat up her friend baby father because the baby father must have that jump up in her belly and all these things and whatever, and I put her and I give her the alphabet, sort out them all kind of letters and things, yeah. And you don't know when she reach Q and all them something, she bend up and thing and then pull one muscle and them something because those are the difficult letters. It's not like I. Okay? Yeah. And she people go check her page. She have one post. Triffy, see that Triffy 913. You must think a lie me I tell. Anybody go check her page and see the post. You come back here and say, Raga, true ya talk. In the post, look on it. In the she said, I don't know when I come over here. People, go look at don't follow what I'm saying now. Go look on her page, and if you see it, come over here back and say, yes, Raga, me see video. Right? Don't take my word for it. When you go over her page, see her in her chat there, Triffy 913. She posts one video, right? And she in the video, she says she upset because when the news come out, them say 2 man beat up her friend baby father. And she said a 3 man she did pay for. People, is that something normal? That's not normal. Who does that? Pay a man for go beat up your friend baby father, right? You know, work with your friend and say you need to do this and that and go police or whatever and all them something them. Why she take it upon herself? Go hire 250 man to go beat up her friend baby father and get so personal about it that she like me eat you. And then come over here, stop with Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Nah, go worry about the third man where you pay for whenever beat up your friend. Here? Because you probably, the third man, cause he knows saying name I go, cause you probably take him too. Yeah, he knows saying name I go beat up the friend. Who does that? Who does that? Who got hire 3 man figure beat up your friend baby father? You know when time people go do too much and them do enough and them say, no man, something personal, yes man, this is a crime of passion. Like me can't believe, you know, she stabbed 28 times and then what she OD for? Why she have to go hire 3 man figure beat up her friend baby father and come by social media get upset about it, say the news I say a 2 man beat up a friend baby father and she knows say a 3. Alright. Who go over there and see it? Alright, Faith Reed. You see Faith Reed say, me see it. Cause you know must it, cause sometimes when I think me I make up things, you know. Sometimes when I think me I make up things, you know. Right? Sade says she see it, right? See it, right? Sometime when I think me I make up thing, watch out, but come off of me now. Any of me the pan you know, worse like how you round up from what they and I set good and all these things. You know, think me not see and whatever. Me I said, Jesus God, Triffy just look round up and healthy and strong up so and sitting. Any of me the pan you gonna know Triffy. Cause me I make sure say, all right, that is a separate matter. But when I do it again, next thing you know, you got hire 250 man for come beat me after and all these things and sitting and whatever. Yeah. Yeah, see it? Miss Cherry says she see it. Analyze me I tell people. Analyze me I tell them, you see it, they want to go over there, want to see it. And who does that? Who pay? But I had 3 man for go beat up our friend baby father. I walk go on there, so something in a something. Yeah. Sitting and mix up in a bickle there, so. Sitting and mix up in a the bickle there, so. Right? That should be obvious. And thing and whatever, you see it? I saw them come like them want come craft way, you know, and go around the thing. And people, if you not come up in the chat, come up in the chat here. Just, me no know, just keep trying and come. What she said? May I look out for my friend? The boy across is, of course, you look out for your friend. Of course, you look out for your friend. You look out for your friend. When you take our baby father, you have to look out for see if the friend will come down. Of course, you look. Yeah, and that's what I mean. But she look out for your friend. You know when people take people man and thing and them have to look for see if the people them come and whatever this and that. But see her cover on 1 foot and I'll take all the backers, but then I have to make sure she there at window. I look if her friend come and whatever, boy, you look out for your friend. Then I look out for see if the friend go come catch you. She said, Raga, my staff take people, man, from 2015. Okay. What you say is a 10-year adjustment. I don't believe you. 11-year. I don't believe you. I don't believe you, boy, you're going to pay a quarter dozen, man. If you go beat up your friend, baby father. Who does that? He's off, I mean, now cool it up. Yes, man. Indian people. She should throw a word pound in there. It is time we elevate from these type of derogatory statements against these people and these, the collective ethnic background and things like that. And she talk about coolie duppy. Indian people, she there the Triffy 913. All I want to know Indian, she use the moniker coolie duppy. You understand? That is not good. Uno kosar. Kosar people, kosar. All the people them want Indian over here, pick pound. She deal with no Billy or something, no come kosar. Indian people kosar. See this woman here take on hand and I said, well I wanna duppy. She just a call on a coolie duppy. You understand? She is using uno and a duppyize uno for cuss other people and things like that. That means what she has about uno is a done deal. She's merely utilizing it, weaponizing it to attack somebody else. More, you understand? But she's saying that is a given. Say if una Indian, una cool it up, that she say una go cuss her. See the Monica say she don't know me. Yeah, that even do. Yeah, so Monica say you don't know her there. You out there. You call Monica cool up and things like that. Monica tell her to take it back. Yeah, so Monica say you don't know her there. You out there. You call Monica cool up and things like that. Monica tell her to take it back. Monica tell her to take it back. She out there. We function quick. Monica tell her to take it back. She can't come over here and just bowl and a brave and a attack all Indian people. Them Indian people just know Ragashanti is in solidarity with you. We're in this struggle together, right? And that's how we there. You understand? You see, my name Ragashanti. It's not using here in East and in Indians money, right? So to the Indian people, we bought it, okay? On a Kosar, Triffy 913. Right? See the Monica said, Triffy, take it back. Triffy said, Monica tag you there and tell you if you take it back. Right? Triffy said, you know, come to Canada, me see you. Me come to Canada anytime, cause me a bad boy. Wait, Asaf Ben Judah, Pum Pum Professor, greetings. That's an interesting reference and thing right there, but anyway, I come to Canada anytime. Anytime. Blue Sky Waters, big up yourself. I come to Canada anytime, and you can't do me nothing. Worse like how you chat up there, all I want to live in Canada, wouldn't pop down sort out. You can't say nothing to me. You understand? I come to Canada anytime. Anytime. Angie Mailey Raga full of chat and have bucketive with that too. That me I tell you, yeah? Yeah? Full of chat with whole heap of bucketive with that too, yeah? Yeah? So balance on the thing. And mine now not talk to no senior, no adult around here. Behave on yourself and go easy. I want me to know. I want to Nicky tell him say we back broad around here. But we on a big back. My kids, man, with this big back thing, man. When them I war with them, you got a big back. So I said, well, like, what, that is an insult? I said, well, yeah. So I said, then if somebody have a big back or something about that, and then I said, Daddy, you have no idea what's going on. Apparently big back is an insult out there, Right? But I guess perhaps if you cuss woman, but me not see why if you cuss a man and you tell him say him have a male and you tell him have a big back, that is an see them when I say yeah, a big back is like not a good thing, you know. When them get in them up in them feelings and a pepper and one and it and oh yes, big back greedy too, yeah. Cause my sister my little daughter, you know, is a foodie, you know. Right? So when that brother take her around and be like, oh, cause you know, Jade is a big back, so she Kalia, my father tell me that I'ma stop talk to him. Well, you know, your father tell you say a big back. Oh, so it's a big thing out there with the big back thing, though. And Josh says it's kind of funny though. Yo, them picnic. And first of all, them a Jamaican picnic and whatever. I don't know. Them no. I guess how them raise up here and thing and whatever. And then through my kids, them not live with me, you know, but them with their own. But you don't know fine say them American kids are them not really into Jamaican food. Like they don't like Jamaican food. You know. Fried chicken. Them like fried chicken. But them not really into Jamaican food. Okay? My little one them and thing, well, me have my second son, the boy don't like food. The boy don't like food at all. Him not like food. So him thing just different, right? Him thing just different, but them Jamaican La Vita Lotus said not true. Yeah, them love to say too spicy for true. Them love to say too spicy. Grenada woman, what go on?
What you calling up my names for yesterday for? What you mean as guess? Eh?
No, I call your name anytime I want to call your name. I can call your name anytime I want to call your name. I'm a bad boy running. I call any name I want to call.
You're bad for yourself. Don't call up my name. I say I just be there listening. That doesn't mean I have to type. I say I just be there.
I call any name you want to call. Worse than me travel from me and go all the way back to your country and go trek all over the country and thing and whatever and find back your virginity and carry it come give me. I have all kind of right to call your name, okay?
That doesn't mean you give you a right. You just help out a situation, you help out a friend. That doesn't mean you have rights to call my name.
I don't think people do good. I don't think people do good. Do something good for you and they take it course, you know. Yeah. You help out a situation. I appreciate it, but that doesn't give you the right to blah blah my name, so. No, I mean notice if you get back your virginity, you just you're so.
Me have to try it out and see if it's still tight.
When somebody get new car, them have to busy to drive it. No.
Oh, you mean? You know, like when you just get license, you have to drive?
Yeah, be that alone driving a touchy road with man.
Exactly.
Sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
So when you get new things, you have to test it out.
You see it. And thus far, what's the verdict?
The verdict is good.
Good.
Yeah. 100%.
Is it better? Is it better now? You know?
You hear they say when things settle for a couple of years and then you pick it back up again. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You're so silly. Sonia, you and Cookie Monstrous have the same personality, though.
Do we? But that's good.
No, you're not as crazy as her. Cause you are crazy. Like me, I'm afraid of Cookie Monstrous, I'm not afraid of you.
You better afraid of me.
No.
Come here, go show you the other side of me yet.
No. No, Sonia, you can't. don't even try it, auntie.
Me can handle it.
Whatever, Sonia. From me, you see how your legs, you see how your legs then lap. You see from me lap that round your neck and set you make you can't move and whatever. I just one of your leg me I put around your neck, set you in a corner sofa, cause I might look at thing that me love position I can't sofa. And you see when me brace by and whatever, I'm in a room, I just want to set you in a man. And, touch your bottom, come up at top. Sonny, you can't manage me. Don't play with me.
Especially when you bring back
Sonny, you can't manage me. But you never see
when you bring back this soap, I won't able to manage.
Listen to me, Sonia. Anyhow, me and you run around and think whatever. Me I make sure some bring me A game. Me I make sure me bring me A game. Me not in a rush or nothing or whatever. You could have kick up and I go on and I come with that weak ass grenade wine. Remember say when una do so kind I be a jump on a jump up on a going up. Everything on the guy.
We don't want to whine in soca. We have to whine.
Listen to me. Most of what we do, na kill up on yourself and a jump. Remember, say Jamaica, we have dance from back in the day named Cool and Deadly. We have dance named Namo. Right? Remember, say most of our dancing, we bend our knee and sit down and hold woman pan them body and press them down pan the sitting. You understand? Yeah? Don't play. Sonia, take back your chat. Take back your chat and tell me say you're afraid of me. Tell me say you're afraid of me. Sonia, tell me say you're afraid of me.
Challenge you, Raga. Any day me could challenge you.
Challenge what kind of do? Challenge what kind of
do? Walk across. Hey, listen to me. You need to you're looking healthy down so.
What? What you say what?
Stand up, let me see how funny you looking at like healthy. I say, how you get healthy, son?
No, stand up now. No, stand up and go on right there, so. No, stand up
and walk again. When you jump,
see, Dr. Mac, yes, where Dr. Mac was Sonia, don't make me drag you.
No, she need to sit down.
Dr. Mac said, don't make me drag you.
Hey, you know me say, I could hold my own. She could drag who? Who she dragging?
No, Dr. Mac said, don't make she drag you. Yeah, one in your neck and drag you. And just a flap, yes. You think Dr. Mac, a daddy house. What?
Hello.
What?
The only one Dr. Mac could get me, she give me wrong injection. I mean, I'm coming she off it.
Sonia, big and serious, man. You don't know, so when I in a bragging thing, but me I tell you what a principle, you couldn't manage this, Sonia. Me I tell you couldn't manage it. You couldn't manage this. You couldn't manage this, Sonia. Yeah, either. But I run up your mouth like Marcia Goodas and go and like say you're wicked and whatever. Don't me you know some Marcia Goodas no good, don't.
Hello, this is small axe cut on big tree. You said it.
Don't me you know some Marcia Goodas no good. Don't we know that, right?
No, me don't know that.
But nobody run up your mouth about small axe cut down big tree and whatever, this and that. A story time you come with right now. ABC book sitting that. ABC book sitting that from when you're in school and whatever. So you must think of Dolly House business and this and.
Hey, I say small axe cut down big tree. That me say and that me work with.
Sonia, you ain't that good. You ain't that good. Cause you roll up with that grenade shit. And that no work with Jamaica over here, whatever. Cause first of all, you go and kill up yourself and go fast. How we do? Easy, man. Just easy.
Remember Jamaica?
We say we're in a rush. Cause first of all, I go hold you and balance you and say, stop kill up yourself. Come up here, so. And you say, me draw you in and drop all right at the edge and just don't even go in the living room and stay right at the door and just wind it up, look a bit by your right at the door and all them something there. I make you press up and just push you back. I'm not ready for you yet. So now you can't manage this. Apologize to me.
Stand up again, let me see.
I'm not standing up, no, move from you. Me don't know what actually we're gonna look for something, you know. And whatever.
Stand up again, let me see if you can manage this. Where you at? Stand up again. Stand up.
No. Sonia, I'm turn up because I'm afraid of you. I'm turn up.
All right. Let me see if I can. Yeah, man.
What, Sonia? What?
You don't have nothing to hold. You don't have nothing. I can't even hold it in between.
Yeah, talk where you want, talk here. Talk where you want, talk.
I can't even hold it with me two hands.
Talk where you want, talk, Sonia. You run up your mouth and sound, run up on the mouth and chat, and when pressure reach you and thing there, all of a sudden you find the Lord and want to baptize and change. Listen to me, Sonia, you can't manage this. You know, come over here with a weak ass grenade or shit, whatever this and that.
You can say whatever you want.
You think you can come to Jamaica with them little idiots sitting there and whatever? What a principle, right? Listen to me. Sonny, I'll slip a disc in your back and turn you in a paraplegic. And turn you into a paraplegic. Sonny, when I'm done with you, you get up and go back to me. You have to sit down back on the bed. You have to sit down back on the bed.
I was sit down back on it.
What is it saying? You don't sit down back on the bed. You jump back on the thing down. You jump back on the thing.
No, you have me walking with
no, you have me. That's you know what, I'm not about to go bathroom. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh God.
So some kind of minute, me there. No, on a serious, I was been listening.
Yeah.
I had the AirPods in my ears and I was lie down on the bed and listen. Sometimes I fall asleep, all kind of thing.
Scene.
But I was there. So don't come up minute.
But I just did. But I just did.
But I was there.
Man, try to get to the talk, you know.
Say,
But I was there.
Say, but I was there.
But I just there. No major hype of it locked though, you know, I don't know him do it, you know, I'm gonna accent. Him have all of the accent then because me can't really tell the difference between like, you know, like if me or Grenada and then if say, you know, Barbadian. But you know the difference between Grenada, Bajan, Trini and Guyanese.
Yeah, we
like,
do.
you know the difference them, whatever.
Yeah,
we
we
can't
do.
really tell, you know. But major hype bad panic man, he can give each one of them separate.
Yeah.
Like, and it precise. Him bad man, him talented that way. Him just have an ear
real.
for that something there, you know. One thing, you know.
Yeah, for real.
So you say, but I just day.
Yeah, but I does day. Yeah, instead of saying I does be there, you know, I does day.
In Ghana, they use day a lot, you know.
Me they cook, you know. Me they cook.
Where you, Sonia, stop your
Don't
foolishness.
start.
Sonia,
I say me they cook and that is it. Don't start. Don't even. Me they cook.
Sonia, we live like family over here. You don't have to come over here and lie. You don't have to come over here and tell a big dirty lie. Where you cook?
Ribs, mashed potato, and a sauté on some what they call that thing? Bean.
What kind of ribs? Pork ribs or beef ribs?
Rib and pork ribs.
Pork ribs, yeah. So, you cook that now?
I go and uncover it, now put it back in the oven, I get some color, then take it out of the sauce.
So what you do? You put it in the file tin and then cover it with fire, like you season it up.
I put it in the Pyrex dish, cover it with the foil tin, and then you get all that nice juice.
No, hold on, Sonia. You not cook it in a Pyrex dish in the oven. I know that you do.
Yes, I cook it in the Pyrex dish in the oven, and I must put it in the foil thing. Gosh, man, you can't cook, but you want to fast cooking others.
Sonia. In a 2026, nobody now cooking a Pyrex dish again. You're bright enough to. Jesus God, me can't believe you flop yourself, sir. Who the hell are cooking a Pyrex dish?
No, because that is why, that is what the glass bowl. That's not what I call it, Pyrex dish.
Everybody. Wanna put me a laugh emoji and laugh off for Sonia, but she are cooking a Pyrex dish and company people them up big and bold. And company people them up bigger. See how the Christian laugh for you because them
Chrissy don't know what she wants. She don't know how to cook.
What you mean Chrissy don't know how to cook? What you know about Chrissy? Sonia.
No, the Pyrex. I want to put it in the roasting pan. Who messaging me silver?
No, Sonia. Alright, Sonia, let me show you a thing. You see how you talk up here about your sort out a while ago. Suppose me tell you, say, me, Raga. Right? When it comes to judging them something, you don't know, so Chrissy sort out turn up way more than you know that. And Chrissy never yet say nothing about her sort out. I just show you so I can read them something there. Right? Chrissy, listen to me. Me know so I can mush you up. Right? With Chrissy, me don't know whatever. I would have to think twice and whatever because. But me know so I can sell you out. Me can't
The thing
shell you
about
out
it
and
is
thing.
they say the people that talk too much. You chat a little bit too
Sonia,
much and then next thing you reach there,
whatever
you
man,
pop
me
down.
tell you say Sonia, me can't shell you out. Me say me can't, me
You
not
finna
think me
look like
can't,
peas. What you want
me
to share me
can't
about?
shell
What
out
you want to
Chrissy.
share me? I'm not
Cause
peas. Go please.
Chrissy look
Peas
like
they
a
share.
bad girl with this something, right?
Okay.
But me know me can't shell you out. Yeah, one
You
of
make
them
me.
woman there with your long leg and thing and then easy to get wobbly when we're done with you. Go fry your some man.
Well, leg, if you're getting good started, leg have to be wobbly. If you leg the wobbly, it's started already.
Then that me I tell you say me can't make your leg wobbly and thing and make sometimes woman get sometimes when woman don't start out, them get up confident to go bathroom, you know, and I say, come on, I bet
Hey, I'm baby tell you though. Hey, I don't like you, just fall right back.
well, I
tell
know,
you.
son, I know, say that's one of the biggest ego pump for man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Tell ya.
Man talk about them something, you know,
Yeah,
see,
you wobbly, your legs over me, leg,
put
me,
it
leg, me,
up
leg,
and
my leg.
and you want she get up bigger and bold, but she run go bathroom and thing and nearly chip
And
and
then
drop
see
off
you,
your phone and leg them
exactly,
weak.
and then your leg just wobble under you.
Well, back to the
So
thing.
true.
I tell you, say, me would have to like exercise caution if me get a look of work from Chrissy. But me know me not have to do that with you because you're baby to the thing.
Oh, that, all right, that you say it, that is it. Since you say it that way, that's why I go.
Sonia, you're
Me
baby
about,
to
I
the
mean
thing.
about.
Right? You're baby to the thing. You're not good like that, Sonia. You're full of chat and all these things. And I talk about and sit
Okay, you know,
about.
say me not chatty, so.
What? No, me know
Me-
you're not chatty, but me I say you're going like say you're wicked with the thing and you're not good like that. You
You
understand?
don't have to know if I'm wicked or not. You need to come and experience.
We have more for fear
You
from
don't-
Chrissy
me
than
not
from
to tell
you.
you.
Right?
You had to come and experience what's going on.
What
Me not to tell you nothing,
experience
you know.
what going? So now
Yeah.
you not worry about what me would have to experience because if you get that experience and whatever this and that and you next year in an emergency blood clot room.
That is where you want to put me when you don't like me then.
No, me no want to put it there. Me just I say you're gonna end up the way you're weak to the thing and can't manage.
That's what I say because when you want to slip me disc, wrap my foot around your neck like if I some kind of snake, all kind of thing you want to do to me. So by the time I'm done, I'm not dead.
Eh?
By the time you finish with me,
Chrissy
it's
said,
emergency.
What? Eh?
Yeah.
That was a proverbial expression. Proverbial as in proverbs, as in an allegory, as in a metaphor, okay? A symbolic statement representing another meaning, a double entendre that you guys use a lot in your music back there, okay? Last time.
Dr. Mack, you go give me wrong injection. I don't want you to give me nurse. You
What
afraid
Dr. Max say? What
She
Dr.
said
Max
she will
say?
give me if she could be my nurse.
No. I
She
didn't
give me wrong
never come kill
injection.
you. No, I said
You
I
say
set
that
you
with
to come
the
beat you, whatever. Yeah. I said I set you to get rid of you.
Come beat me.
I said you.
Because
I said
that's
you.
one thing I can do is fight. Me don't like my skin burn me and
Eh,
bruise up and mark
yeah.
up. No.
Well,
You
like, you
fighting-
can't fight, but you start out turn up.
Fighting and sorting out is two different things, right?
No, but woman who start out turn up, then can't fight.
Well, good for them.
Me never meet a woman yet with a shell down start out who can't fight. Every woman
Can't
who
fight,
start
sir.
out turn up, then can't fight.
No, me don't
go
like
on.
my skin burn me.
No.
I don't even play fight. I don't
No,
do play fight either.
let me take that back. Me know one simple look out angel in her, man. When me say she look innocent and everybody think she innocent because she look like whingy, you know. And everybody think she dangerous girl in her, man. Dangerous girl in. You see some of them look at people, woman, that you know where it go, they look simple like they can't mash and thing. And
Like
when
me,
they
I can
call
mash hands.
like
Show me little
what?
bit, I can.
Like what?
Me, I can mash
Like
hands.
what? Like
I
what?
don't
Me
know.
don't tell you what you. Me don't tell you your story already. Me don't tell you your story already.
Really, I mean, I'm not even busting cobweb. Me no sense.
Well, you say what about cowboy? What?
I say me can't even, cobweb easy to bust. I can't even bust cobweb.
Well, me never hear that chat there before. You
That's
can't
how
even
we say
bust
it in
cowboy,
grade.
bro.
You can't even bust cobweb.
You can't even bust
When you
cowboy.
full of
Okay.
chat.
Okay. No, me full of chat and Freddy with nothing, but
Me
not
too,
from you.
Me Freddy.
Not
Only
from you.
Brother, let me tell you something. You see, growing up, my mouth was my
Yeah.
defense. As you lift your hand me round, no. Run me. Don't like my skin burn me, sir.
So well on there, you bad by your mouth, though.
Yeah. Cursing. Girls get that straight. In the course.
But Saying about by your mouth. I was sweet. No man, someone touch your phone and bone a while ago. What's up? You
You
good?
see, I tell you bad for me or something they don't in me throat.
What say that again?
Yes, you're bad on me. Oh.
Yeah. Your throat a cratch, you know.
Just
Your
to
throat
talk
a
about
tremble.
see, I start
Your
cough.
throat a tremble. Yeah.
Imagine.
Imagine you talk about something and it look like you see what happened, you know. Why you cough, you know? That the ear can't go down because you know when you in a little mood, your throat swell.
And that it, all your tonsils. Some of them corner your jaw, your your neck.
Yeah. Hey, son, when you see when we grew up at Jamaica, it was things change now. Things change now. But back in the day,
what's fall and fall up all below the fridge. What the
what?
One of the AirPods fall and go under the fridge.
One of the what?
Later. AirPods.
Oh, drop out of your ears and go under the fridge
I tell
down.
the AirPods always drop. We have about 10 AirPods, like different types of AirPods.
Nah, but you know,
I
see
swear I lose them all the time.
I chew your talk and whatever, all part of your swell up, so your ear swell up and push
You
out the
never
earpod,
know.
yeah.
I push out
Push
the
out the
AirPods.
earpod and that go on. So now when we go up at Jamaica, you know, back in the day, you know, right? Back in the day, the general knowledge in Jamaica, you know, was that over the Eastern Caribbean. What you the pioneer look for the earpod right now?
Yeah, I found it.
Yeah, but you did the pioneer look for it?
You know I love how to go on mini. Let me just rub it out.
Yeah. So what you did have to bend over for go take it right under the fridge. No?
Under the fridge. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Me have to bend over low. Mm-hmm. What you say now? When you was growing up in Jamaica?
Yes, so when I grew up in Jamaica, things change now, but back in the day, the general understanding was when it come to do the things them, like we in a ghetto, we did just have it say it's uptown people do it and people from the Eastern Caribbean, from St. Lucia. We did have it say from St. Lucia go right down to Trinidad and Guyana.
The whole Windward Island.
No, man, no. I ask anybody who is from my time, would I say, no, man, I be at them think that them go on with it, because we used to think of the Trinity them lead it, you know?
You know, because of course, because by the end of the day, you see how they're so brave with eating certain things. They're brave with it, you know. They don't
But back in the day in Jamaica, you don't it a go on, you know, but nobody not talk about them something in our time.
in our time, in our islands, they're brave with it from ever since.
No, man, for ever since you know what me with it, man. I hear how we go find it out now. Before Carnival, they get big at Jamaica. The biggest type of carnival thing where we did have at Jamaica was Ring Road up at Yui. I don't know if you know about that, right?
No.
But them time they know was even mostly uptown people go Yui. Well, if I get people go there now, but them time there was mostly uptown people go Yui, and them did have that link there with Uno. And when the Trini them and the Bayesian them and the Guyanese and the whatever and the Dominica people, when them come out, I saw we hear them look at something and we used to say them nasty. That changed now, you know.
Very much so.
That coming like not Jamaica now.
Like
not Jamaica now. Everybody
yeah,
agree.
everybody.
Remember, our bro God must have do it.
And no more such emote.
He what?
Emote white, so you could see it in emote.
Leave him. I'm a virgin, you know. So
I like him though. I like him as a prime minister.
We not comment on politics, but I really put it out there.
No.
But I'm a friend for a long time doing it before him boss and all them something then.
To me. All the pastor and I'll do it.
Right.
No, you not pretend. It's something there.
No, the pastor them are going with the something them with the congregation.
Of course.
Yo, you know, see them African pastor, they are big things them going with, you know.
Yeah, them too fake for my likeness. Me doesn't even watch them.
No, man, big things them going with, make the woman them have this and that
and do them in
the church too, you know, in the middle of the church too, you know.
What's your nastiness there? It's all I mean, if you're doing it, you're doing it. But hello, they're overdoing it now.
What?
No, the African pastor and them, they overdoing
the African
it.
pastor and them gone too far with it. Them gone way too far with it.
Yeah, they gone too far. And I don't like
anybody tell you, you know, from me, they are Jamaica, you know, I tell people say, it has always amazed me that even the most street smart woman, like clever woman who can know all of the games that my man are playing, a man can't go around them, even they would make a doctor or a pastor get away with certain things with them when nobody else can get away with. It's a thing amongst Caribbean women. Like if the doctor say, me I just, all when them know say, say something all right about this, them still there and make a doctor do it.
Me never like church. Me supposed to be pastor every day. Every time my grandmother send me to church, me and them pastor always fall in because me don't like church. And never like church.
No, but what I'm saying is people can
so I don't have no respect for them.
They can fear God so much and have this faith thing so much because faith is like believe and don't question. That's basically the definition of faith. Believe and don't question. And thing, right? So
true.
faith requires you to be uncritical. And then there's this guilt thing that comes with it too, where if you don't exercise faith in the way that the pastor them said, then them have this you're going against God. So that is why even sometimes when them do certain things and whatever, in the woman them mind, but there's a probability it could be right that I'll be go against God. So I make him do what I do. Believe it or not, that's the thing.
Not true, because they believe it, because them is pastor and he holy and they believe in the pastor, so they feel he doing the right thing.
Right. If me try that with them, that's a regular go for man. They take me an idiot. If anybody else come. But doctor, hey, you know much woman tell me story and whatever. I said, no, I see the doctor abuse you and whatever. Yeah, me did that one day, because, I said, no, you make him go do them something. I bet you say enough woman have enough right as well today. Then can tell you some story where some doctor was inappropriate.
Well, one time I go to the doctor, I was having a pain on my left side. And the doctor wanted to say, you have to push up. I well dressed nice, no girl cute. I think the doctor just want to touch me now. So, he want to tell me how, well, I say having a pain on my left side. And he's like, well, I have to examine you. I say,
lay down. Let me see what I go and something with that left side there. Make we see if we can find.
Tell me about her pregnant, about that. I said, well, doctor, me ain't sleeping with nobody. I single like for all these years. So I'm pregnant. Here the old fool will come and tell me how people are pregnant and they don't even know. Like, really? So I don't know if I breed or if I don't breed. Like,
yeah, all right. You see, Antasha smart. Antasha said she bring her husband go all her doctor visit. I don't wrong her.
No, you want to touch me up, I think, and you want to push up your finger inside me, but you want to examine me. Examine me for
so
what?
So him never get to do it.
No, because I'm not going to allow you to do it. You're not going to tell me what wrong with you. No, because how you telling me that I'm pregnant when I tell you I don't sleep with nobody? So who breeding me? I just really wanted to touch me now.
Exactly. No, but enough time then woman go there and say them have something with their head and thing, and the doctor say, all right, lay down, we need to check down here, so I think.
Yeah.
And none of it. Enough woman go through them something there. Enough woman go through them something there. Doctor feel them up and go all up inside of them and whatever. For sitting away, no symptoms, no for down there.
To get more color.
No,
like that bun. Now, like when you put the chicken, the meat and broil, and you get that nice barbecue bun. Kind of
no, but you don't know about that.
Oh, but
you don't know about that. You don't know about that.
You think it's too left and I got you? Think it's you?
No. You just stop repeat what you hear your mother say in the kitchen.
Well, my mother never was there. My mother living in foreign for most of my
say stop
young
repeat
life.
what you hear your mother and other people say in the kitchen. You come back here repeat. So the doctor, what did want to push up him, man? What the doctor did name Chumpy? Yeah. That's all like one doctor when you Dr. Chumpy, them things the Dr. Chumpy going with, yeah. Dirty doctor. I push up him finger, whatever. Dr. Chumpy. Yeah, I must see the doctor and whatever, Him did terrible back in the day,
Exam me. About a pregnant way. He tell me, all right, so when he realized I ain't budging for him to push up, he tell me, he say, because there's a lab next door. Go and get a blood test. So me go take the blood test. No, me don't get the result. No, yes.
No result. No.
Totada. He just want to finger me.
Hold on, son. You know, say
Right.
sometimes when you hear a young boy talk, ooh, this and that. Ooh, I'm here the gynecologist. I want to be a gynecologist. You know, say I would never want to be a gynecologist.
They see no kind of nanny come in and protein one ugly one, all kind of nanny come and skin out in front of you. Like really?
No, but that's not the first. No, that are the first statement back in the day when my brother, you don't want to be a gynecologist. I said, no. Wait. I said, but stop for a second.
Yeah, because they want to fill up. They want to fill up money.
Me know that. Them say, but I say, stop for a second. Right? If you're a gynecologist, basically a veggie doctor, is it not the case that most of your patients them going to be women who have a problem down there? Right? So in a fin mind, them act like say if them a gynecologist, them are going to say, be a good, nice, pretty, clean, something and thing. Most of the women, a lot of the women, them a come to you, them a have problem and thing and whatever. Why you don't want to say all that in the Reggae land? Eh? Separate from the woman them who come, you know, them pops me and them regular checkup.
Exactly, and especially those things from them.
I would never want to be a gynecologist.
And sent thing in you, killing you.
I would never want to be a gynecologist because I remember too, you know, when you see if you're exposed to something repetitively, like whatever, after a while you get desensitized to it, you know. Me don't want desensitized to it.
Exactly.
Yeah, me don't want like.
Could you imagine you're a doctor and a gynecologist, and then you're married and you have to go home and have sex with your wife, and then you see that when you just imagining all kind of different front come in front of you.
Well, I would imagine though that in those instances it's not about the specific thing there, but it's you know, but I would never want to be a gynecologist. Never. Hold on. And you see man them. Wait, go on. You have read one.
That you would be a good gynecologist.
Who? No. I would never want to be. All right. And you see what you ever hear Holy Pamanacha? Oh. Like what they mean, yo, Neo the boss, you know, a 3 or 4 woman the dog having and whatever.
And they think that's a props. And they think that is a props.
They think it's a flex. Me, no one. Me would I never want to each his own, you know. But me no want like a permanent poly relationship. Me wouldn't want that. Me wouldn't want to permanently have 3, 4 women who I mean, me don't want that. Right? Me don't want that. Let me tell you something. No, let me tell you something before you go. In my opinion, is enough to pay attention to for really know one woman, you know? I mean, not talk about just the physical, but just for know her with a particular depth, you know, and nuances, you know, to get connected with her in a way where as you come in, you feel shifts in her emotions, in her feelings, and you can identify her. I think that requires a lot from you if you apply yourself with it and think so much so that make me want to have multiple cases at that time, whatever. And see all of something that went on. I don't care what them say. You might always have this thing about we live good and we help each other and whatever. At some point, jealousy and foolishness are going to come in.
Of course.
At some point, jealousy and foolishness are going to come in. I mean, I want to deal with them.
Sorry, I never had one of them does look so. By the time you cut it, it turn black. I can't stand it.
What you say, what?
You know when you them foreign pair?
Oh, the
not as,
yeah, I true.
As you cut them, they black.
No, as you cut them, no, the foreign pair them, I true. Yeah, then turn black quick. Or them get one little kind of the white sitting there come up on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the fruit them.
I like avocado. You know, but sometimes you just give me I don't like buying those foreign pear, but I don't have a choice. Sometimes you don't get the West Indian pear.
Yeah.
You have to buy those ones.
Okay. Anyway, big up yourself, go eat your food, yeah? What you say you cook again? What you say you cook?
Mashed potato sauteed on some
ribs. Mashed potato and what? And what?
And beans and avocado. That's it.
Ribs, mashed potato, beans, and whatever. And you cook the ribs with gravy?
Yes, I cook the ribs And then take off the gravy when the ribs really coming off the bone, and then put it back,
Right.
put some barbecue sauce in it, put it back in the oven, let it take another color, and then broil it so you cook it that nice. Go ahead.
No. It sounds like you know what you do. I hope Nikki listen because she can't really whatever. I hope she listen and learn something.
Yeah, and then you broil
no,
it.
not Nikki, not Cookie. Cookie, me mean Cookie.
Yeah, and then you broil it, and then you get that nice bun color, and then you have the sauce, and you put it over the. I like mashed potato with lots of gravy.
Yeah, me's a gravy man, you know. I like juice.
No, only in mashed potato I like gravy. I don't like gravy and rice. I find rice is supposed to be soggy. I don't like gravy and rice at all.
No, me like gravy. I like juice.
I'm not into too much gravy. I like it on the mashed potato though, that's all.
Yeah,
I don't like
man,
it on the
no
rice.
gravy for the pan mashed potato.
Yeah.
You see that thing there where we grew up with mashed potato, like them Jamaican, them with that fling butter in that cloth, you know, man.
Yeah, butter and milk.
By the way, that was the go-to baby food in Jamaica, you know. Every baby
Of course,
grew
mashed
up
potato
on
and butter, baby. You have to eat mashed potato and butter.
are the same thing over Grenada, though.
Of course, mashed potato and butter is the first thing they feed the baby with as soon as
No, but hold on, get this. It wasn't the same in uptown Jamaica, though, you know.
They are bottle food, me love.
No, for them thing different. It's like downtown Jamaica, ghetto Jamaica, country Jamaica. Then with a kill a baby them with mashed potato and thing.
Hey, mashed potato is the
Crush up
first
in on
food.
me.
You know, you get a poached egg. Just when baby just have to eat, you give them egg. You scramble it and you make it and you, yeah. for baby.
Hey, you know when I start do back from one day, and it's like me go through a phase with it, you know, scarleg.
No, I mean, not like
You know
egg.
No.
Me just like boiled egg.
Yeah, so when we
Scrambled
did
egg.
no, when we did that grow up, scarleg was a thing. Like scarleg did come on. And you know, so I go through a phase where I couldn't stomach it. Like it never, yeah.
Me don't even like the
And
smell of
then
egg.
I come full circle again, because I start rock scarleg again, you know.
I
And
don't
you
like.
know,
I
you
don't
have
like the. I like boiled egg, but I don't like this after smell.
yeah.
You know what? Yeah, I don't like. I
No,
don't like
yeah,
the
some
after
people
smell of
can't
boiled
take
egg.
what them call the raw smell. Me, you know.
Yeah, I
me,
can
know.
take the after smell in the boiled egg, but I like
Yeah.
it. I like to put
Yeah.
salt and I put salt
Yeah,
and black
man, you drop
pepper.
look of salt in it, and you know, me not really put the black pepper, some, but I'm go Ghana, then put pepper in there too, you know, man.
Yeah, you can put a little bit pepper
Yeah,
and
look
give
at
it a
the hot
flavor.
sauce in it
Yeah.
and thing and whatever, but it's a thing, yeah, so you know.
Yeah.
But I'm
Don't
going
think
back
it's
to
too late
Sky.
and a half. You're taller.
Yeah. Well on. Let me hear you put your food in your mouth again. Put the food in. Nice.
That's
Yeah.
how you're supposed to do it.
You put some more potato and thing and kind of lick it, make me ear. Make me lick it. Lick it, make me ear. Right, lick it. No, me want you go. Yeah, okay.
You know what, bye? How you have everybody like?
All right, my friend, big up yourself there. Yeah,
brother,
man, that's
later.
a word, man. Cool. John, no people, you know, so I come full circle with scarlet. Me grew up, I eat scarlet because my mother bossed me upon it, you know. See? And again, like I said, when I was in the back in our day, scarlet was a common thing for breakfast. And it was like nothing. You don't even think about it, you know. You just heat up the egg a little bit, and then you put a little salt in there. And we literally drink it. We drank it. And then I go through a phase where like me the kind of turn off it. Like for years, you know, turn off from it and thing. And one day I bounce back scarlet again, you know. And I like it, you know. Scramble, you know, scrambled egg must be the most popular egg in a foreign here. Scrambled egg are the most popular egg of foreign. Me not a fan of scrambled egg, you know. Fry my egg. But one thing I kind of like though is you know, them have the sunny side up or over easy. I like over easy, you know. I like over easy. And then another thing when I notice enough Jamaican take up. And I want to tell me the truth if I sound no stay, right? When me just come a foreign, you would have never ever get a downtown Jamaican, not uptown Jamaican, go a steakhouse and talk about medium or medium rare or, you know, something like, you know, hear that. Every Jamaican always say, the full one, right? Well done. Well done. You know what say right now, a whole heap of Jamaican, them into that something, you know, them like them meat medium, them steak medium. Like it's a thing now. All right. All Jamaicans, wanna go steakhouse and thing, wanna do, I don't even know, medium or people TikTok are mess up, you know. Yeah, man, TikTok are going bad. See it now move. Yeah, it now move. To move on the phone, but me see it better on the computer, you know. All right, let me try something. Come on, see this. Is this thing moving? All right, okay. Chrissy said, well done. All Jamaicans who Shanae medium well, right? So yeah, Sinner medium well. But most of you, I don't do the Jamaican. Monica medium well, but most of you, well done. Well done. You see, people, when you see how many people I say medium well? Medium well. Everybody else, well done, well done, well done. Baby girl J, medium well. And big beer. Nothing wrong, big beer. If I said that you like, medium well. Christina, medium well. It's, and people don't feel bad if they come out and say, oh no, I'm medium well, right? Don't, you know, if I that don't like. Shanae Marie said, well done steak is overcooked. But Shanae, here's my point. If well done steak is overcooked, and I really said overcooked, you know, you have adapted to this steak because my argument has always been the way our Jamaican and Caribbean people cook. We don't think about it, you know, but we cook the hell out of food, you know. The production them where we go in and all the things them where we go in for properly cook food to our standards. We cook, we really cook food, you know. Right? In general, we cook food. It's normal to you or whatever, but we cook out. Most people don't cook things as long as we cook it. They don't. Right? So when you go say, well done is overcooked, it's overcooked by FIDEM standard up here. And the thing, Shanae Marie, I used to believe it had to be well done, but I realized it doesn't work out. Aha! You see, you adapted. That is my point. That is my point, right? And the people who love the medium well and the you have medium well, you have medium rare. I find it interesting that FIDEM thing is, no, when it's well done, it's no longer juicy. No juice, no left in it. Initially, when me hear them, I say, so I it's one of them things them are like, I have no idea what they mean by it. Because to me, you know, as is the case with Nuff, how we were raised, if the meat red, it not cook good. If we see any red in the meat, it not cook good. If we see any little red substance, like little blood still in our meat and thing or whatever, like, but we in our, the meat no cook. Right? As so we raise, so the meat no cook, so the meat for cook. It is such an aesthetic issue for us. It is such an aesthetic issue for us. Aesthetic, how it look. presentation with a particular standard, like does it look good or does it not look? That's what aesthetics is, right? But it's such an aesthetic issue for us that a part of our cuisine is such that even if you cook a meat, we come out pale, but it cook. As in somewhere where you can cook some chicken and something there, whatever. The standard is you find somewhere to make the color change. Browning. Like browning is such an integral part of it. But if you really think about it, browning is not really a seasoning, It's almost like paint. It's a coloring. Because our standard is if it cook properly, it must look a certain way, which must be opposite to its initial state. So once you get the meat and it don't cook, we're not supposed to see anything aesthetically that is still what we did see when we just bring the meat in. So that is why when we see the ready night and think, no, so the meat did come, this did red, and you say it cook, and this was still red, so it not cook. That's what it is for us. The well-done people, right? So that's why I couldn't connect with that thing there when them talk about juice. And that them say, right? Not people who love the medium well, and yo, Cookie Manchester. Hey, me notice that the whole I like when I come text it pan big beer, Spiritually blessed, no red round here. I'm glad she said that because the other element we are going here, Because my mind work weird, Because I say, what are we enough Jamaicans okay with this medium well and medium rare? Even some of them got medium rare. I don't know it's me disgusting and terrible, right? And I'm saying, is it a coincidence? Is it a coincidence that we were firmly entrenched in a paradigm that says, don't eat the meat if any ready night, right? Before, right? Right? So before, that was a standard. Don't eat the meat if you see any ready night, because it not good, it not cook good, right? And now, given that we have, for the most part, and when I say we, I'm just generalizing, don't come jump on my case and say, oh, Raga, you did sex, you do so and so. But I'm saying, in general, our community have evolved to the point where we're significantly more comfortable with certain activities of pleasure from the oral, that involves the oral cavity, right? So is it a coincidence that there is increased relaxation and comfort there and acceptance there that appears to correlate with a parallel adjustment in the meat? In other words, more people are do so, and more people now eat meat with a ready night and I have a problem with it, though. Me think that there might be a correlation there, there's a kind of easing, a kind of relaxing and thing. Yeah, one time, no man, when I grew up on whatever, man, my mother, no color no fi in I meat, them no red color no fi in I meat. That nah eat, nobody nah eat that, and you get shame. You would have never see them something there. Right? I just find it interesting that so many Jamaicans now, they have evolved from well done, it must be well done, and them okay now with medium well. And for those of you who don't know, medium well, different from medium rare, different from rare, different from blue. Again, let me go with it. Let me go in again. Well done, medium well, medium rare, rare, and then blue. Yes, there is a more raw state below rare that is called blue, right? Canada, me go hear about that blue. Yeah, someone now say, yeah, just bite the cow and done. Yeah, tell them to just bring the cow in the lime and done, no? Yeah. Evoking belonging, say blue new. I thought it was new. It's not. Me did think I did something new. It's not. It's about long time. The people at Canada, me go hear about that. See, you see, people actually say it's not new. I did think it was a new thing and whatever, and the people then laugh off of me and be like, no, that's been around. Chrissy, I said, blue is raw. Chrissy, first of all, me think medium raw, right? But we know say you have medium rare and rare. We just say rare. Me did have it say rare is the rawest you can go. Only thing you say them have a stage where more raw than rare, which is called blue. And apparently, when we there Canada and never tell about it, they say, no, enough people eat it blue. Them prefer to eat blue. And Tasha said, them just pour hot butter over it and it's done. And Tasha really said them do it for true. Them just pour hot butter over it and it done. And that a blue. Because I can't think, because if any of us say when, and Tasha said yes, if any of us say when people do the meat rare, right? Because you know, if you're monks, you're not going to really see that amongst the black people in general, but you don't know that grilling is a big thing in America, right? It's a huge industry and everything, right? But it's a big thing in America, grilling. And if any of you have been any like cookout and thing or whatever, and then you see when people are do rare, them just put on the meat, you know, and turn it over, you know, and take it off. Like literally, them put on the meat. You see, them turn it over. Boom, them take it off. I swear to you, that's what I'd want them do for rare. So my thing was, I've never seen somebody say, okay, you want it blue? I'm going to prepare it blue. So I don't know how blue. Yeah, that's the other thing with them too, you know. At least some of black people, and even white people in the South, at least them kind of, some of them use the seasoning. But even when they use the seasoning, them not season it like we. And they're not into this thing for make seasoning soak in a meat. That's not for them thing either. In general. But again, you know, when you go down south, you have people who season steak in a bucket and them something there. And you know, them in a them thing there. Down south, it's a big deal. It's a big deal down there. Right? So you have people who do that. But even for them seasoning, it's not thorough like our seasoning. You know? You know, really. And for you eat them the big piece of meat, so and it not seasoned, whatever. You know, when you eat it and then when you get in a miggle and thing, chew it not cook good at all. I don't understand them on this juicy thing, you know, because to me it's rubbery. Oh, it depends. Oh, to 23, I say it depends on the cut. Well, I must admit, I don't really know. I know, say, The two main one them is prime, and a prime, and then sirloin. That's how you go, right? No, but yeah. But one soft and that one. That's all me know. That's all me know. One soft and that one. Hello.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah, but yeah, we can't the music.
Oh, sorry, hold on. I'm gonna come up. May I leave out anyway? I didn't want.
Yeah.
I'm in Five Guys.
Okay.
A long time in a come here, so. Anyway, speaking of meat, because I just finished eating a burger. All right. So, yeah, how it go? Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I just dropped everything in it. Right at the door. Front at the door. Sorry. Yeah. All right. So, can you hear me now?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Okay. So, you have different cuts of the cow, right?
Yeah.
Depending on the cut of the cow is going to determine the best way to prepare it. For example,
Oh, okay.
I like ribeye. Ribeye is my favorite cut of steak.
Where
Ri-
everybody come from?
the cow. Um, but I'm trying to remember what.
Duh!
No,
Me I
what
say
do
which part on the coast I went. I want to the woman.
what kind of question is he asking me? Anyway,
Oh no. I thought ribeye came from like what, horses or something like that.
me not can't talk, me not know
Or
the question.
moose.
Next
Yeah.
time you have to ask the question properly.
Then I'm
Anyhow,
gonna call we are talking about a steak we are talking about. If we did
anyhow.
talk to Angie Melly now, would understand because she eat elk and moose. But I'm not Angie Melly me I
Ew.
talk to. Yeah, she eat them something up at Calgary. But she no
I can't
normal.
remember
Normal
what.
people we are talking about steak.
Rib, I don't remember what I'm gonna assume
Well,
it's on the rib, but
uh,
anywho, ribeye is my favorite cut, right? Ribeye is one of those steak that depending on the
you still
butcher,
don't tell me which part I cow the ribeye come
I
from.
think it's the rib. What the hell?
You think?
I think I
Oh, you know,
think
so you know where it come from, you just know how it tastes.
I mean no, me know the animal where it derived from. No,
All right.
nobody
Are
with
you
it.
are you aware that the people them who into steak, them know
Yeah,
where
yeah, 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 yeah. They
they,
know the
they, they,
parts,
yeah,
right?
them know which part I cow it come from.
Like most chuck. All right, there's another cut
Not
chuck, right?
because it near ribeye, it a mean say it
No,
must
I
come
know, I
from the
know, I
rib,
know.
you know. So that's why I ask.
That's
Yeah.
exactly why I said that's exactly why I said I am not sure. I think it's from the rib because no one nobody come and
Dog bite post in a chat, say you name everything.
see meat spoil. So we're not gonna talk about okay?
Dog bite 23 say your meat spoil.
They can't perk up, they can't use no
Yeah.
salt on it.
Yeah.
Nothing. So
Nothing can save it. Nothing
him
can save that.
him for just low that meat argument or eating
Yeah,
argument. That
yeah,
enough for him
yeah,
argument, right?
yeah.
Okay. No,
All
all
right.
right. So ribeye, depending on how the butcher cut it, they can cut it
Mm,
thick or thin. But the best way
mm.
to cook that one is medium, right? So I eat that steak medium or medium well.
Ribeye,
Ribeye,
why the best way to
because the
eat?
cut because the cut of it it's heavily marbled. They have a lot of fat. It's a fatty piece of a fatty cut of steak, right? So that one you're gonna cook it medium to
No,
medium well.
okay, no. What I want to understand now? What does the fattiness contribute that make it more conducive to being cooked medium?
Because if you cook it, all the fat helps it to maintain its juiciness, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Like
the
when
fat.
this fat spring it to an
Yeah,
ionization
yeah,
and like
yeah.
when
So
the
it make
okay.
it right. So it have a better texture if you're to cook it medium or medium well. Versus like skirt steak. Skirt steak is mostly meat and it's tough. I don't know how people eat that.
Wait. What skirt? What minute? What skirt? What?
Skirt steak. That's what Mexicans usually use to make taco.
Skirt, as in skirt.
Yes,
That's how
like
you name.
blows on skirt. Yes, the cut is
Yeah,
called skirt steak.
I never heard that before.
Yes, they have skirt steak, they have ribeye, they have all right. The joke I wanted to give you was all right. I went with a bunch of friends out to eat. Them said them want surf and turf. The cut of steak was a porterhouse. Porterhouse is a very big, very thick cut of steak, right? It's like $250 for that cut of steak if you go to a restaurant, and it's usually served for
Hold on,
two.
hold on, hold on, hold on. You have a cut of steak for 250. What,
Of
like
course,
porterhouse is that?
that's
Wait,
a monkey
porterhouse is
money.
wait,
Them all are some.
porterhouse.
Uh-huh.
Porterhouse is like
It's a
it's
really
like a thing. It's a
yes.
thing.
So
It's
you have
oh
porterhouse. You have porterhouse is the cut of the steak. You have meat types, like for example wagyu, different
no,
wagyus, right?
the wagyu
Wagyu is like
thing.
$300, right?
Yo,
Right.
when you go over into Asia, like
Yeah,
wagyu is the thing
Japanese
over
wagyu,
there.
right? And up here
What
is big money. So
is the thing over there? You've ever seen a little bit of them gear too?
we went out to, I think we went to Del Frisco, me and some friends. But when you was talking about black people versus white people, so one of my friends that went, she's Jamaican, right? So is me, her, and then two white people. So they said we could get the porterhouse and we can share it. Now, I have eaten this cut, so I know you have to eat this medium, and I eat the steak medium anyway, so I don't have any problem with that. My girl said, they asked, how would you like it? She says, I want it well done. So, so I'm sitting there, right? Remember, this is not
Hold
so.
on. Like 3 wells for emphasis, right? Well done. Okay, cool.
Yes. So we're sitting there. Now, for me, it's not embarrassing for me, because I already know where she's coming from. Because, like you said, growing up, food with meat can't have no ready night.
No
But
red,
I
nothing
know
like.
that. But I know that for that cut of meat, it is appropriate to eat it medium. So the waitress says, "Miss, I'm sorry, I don't think that the chef will be able to share it, serve it well done. They may turn it around. I'll ask. I can't make any promises." And
But
so them come back.
hold on. It sound like the waitress, that was like a polite way of saying like, what the hell? Nobody does that.
So no, because Raga,
No,
honestly,
nobody does a porterhouse well done. Who are you? Who is the new girl?
and another nicest way she could have said, because to be
Exactly.
honest,
That's
some
what it
restaurant
sounds to me like.
flat out refuse. She came back and she said the chef said no, we can't do that because of that cut of meat is not supposed to be cooked that way. We don't offer substitution. So we said, all right, the three of
Damn,
yes.
yo, so that's like a cardinal sin, don't even do that. Leave the restaurant. Cause when you go tell anybody, say, come get porterhouse well done and thing like that's like a no. It sounds like an
So the trio
absolute no.
we end up get the porterhouse, and then she got New York strip steak. She got a New York strip steak cut. And even that's a thick cut of meat. You're supposed to cook that medium well the most. They cook that one well done for her. You want to see the table a shake when she try to cut the steak. It just pissed me off.
Well, on,
Because you
well,
cook
on,
it
the
well
new,
done,
well,
you have to
on,
put so
so,
much
well, on.
muscle to cut the friggin' steak.
Oh, come on, man. Whatever. The New York thing, is that like a standard out there too? Like you go any steak and you say, can I have a New York, and them know exactly what you need?
New York strip steak is a cut of meat. New
Is that
York
what I
strip
mean?
steak. Yeah, that's a popular. There's 3 popular cut of steak that you're gonna find in a restaurant, in a steakhouse or any fine diners. You're gonna most likely see ribeye. You're most likely gonna see New York strip. You're most likely gonna see a tomahawk, and you're most likely gonna see porterhouse. Those 4 are very popular in a restaurant. Now, when you go to the
No.
supermarket,
Hold on. Go to say them again.
New York strip,
New York strip,
ribeye,
ribeye,
tomahawk,
tomahawk.
porterhouse.
But I thought the most popular one was the sirloin.
Sirloin, not in a restaurant. Sirloin is popular, yes, but not in a restaurant. Like you go to the supermarket and buy sir. And me personally, I don't know how people eat that because
You know,
that.
you know more about this than me. Let me just be clear about that. But I must disagree with you. I cannot recall ever going to a steakhouse and not see sirloin there.
Sirloin,
I mean, me was see sirloin and not see tomahawk.
sirloin is like the bottom of the bottom steak. Honestly, that's the bottom of the bottom cut. Nobody don't really want to eat that. It doesn't taste good in no fashion way. And remember, taste is relative. So guys, don't beat me up. But in
No, no,
terms
no.
of
Hold on.
pricing
Are
and
you, hold
quality.
on. Are you
Sirloin is the
sure?
lowest. Go check.
Sirloin are the
Sirloin are the
which?
lowest. What do you think I joke me I make? Sirloin are the lowest.
Hold on. I thought sirloin was rated over prime.
Hold on.
Eh?
Sirloin and chuck. Those two cut of steak. Sirloin and
Jesus
chuck are
Christ, the
the
woman come in with one next one now. Oh, with this one and Chuck come in and
chuck and sirloin is like the two lower steak cut. Nobody not really them
no,
they
no,
are.
no. No, no. Is sirloin
See
rated
somebody
over
say it there. Sirloin popular in restaurant like Applebee's or Red Lobster. Thank you. What name? Jamaican teddy bear.
Big Bear, yeah?
Him say it for me.
Oh. So hold on. So prime rated over sirloin?
Prime is not a cut. Prime is the quality of the beef.
Lord Jesus.
So like you have USDA Prime and then you have certified Angus. That's the quality of the meat. The other things I was telling you are the actual cuts of the meat. So New York strip is a cut of steak. Sirloin is a cut of steak. Strip is a cut of steak. Skirt is
Right.
a cut of steak. Tomahawk
Jeez.
is another cut. Brazil popular one is picanha. Picanha is another cut. I think that's like on the rib, but it's not directly on the rib. It's like to the side of the rib. That I
One
them
name
popular
brisket.
cut.
One name brisket. One name brisket.
Brisket is not a cut of steak, but it's beef.
Hold on. Antarsha, respectfully, Antarsha know them something. But Antarsha says,
Okay.
sirloin is a high-end cut.
High end where? High end is relative. High end is not. You're not gonna hear sirloin. Go to a restaurant right now and look at a price for a cut of sirloin steak and look at the price for a cut of tomahawk steak, and we will know what's the answer. Even go to the supermarket right now. I'm right in front of the supermarket right now, but me not going. A cut of sirloin, you're gonna run you like $9-10, right? Ribeye is $16-17 in the supermarket. In the restaurant, it's exponentially different in price.
I am confused.
You can go look it up. Go in a supermarket or go in a
All
restaurant.
this time,
I can pull up.
I must have been mistaken, but I always thought that, but remember said, I'm kind of.
Mega sound like myself front.
No.
But mega tell her. When enough restaurant me go, I can't tell her. I am familiar with this is something that I can speak on.
All right, what for you? What's the best steak to eat for you?
For me, my favorite cut is ribeye. My second favorite cut is gonna be tomahawk. But my favorite cut in terms of the taste, the thickness, the fat to meat ratio, all of that is gonna be a ribeye. That's my favorite.
And then you make them cook the. And you said the ribeye have to cook medium.
I order it medium well.
Medium well, okay.
Yes, sometimes I order it medium. If I look at the waiter and I say medium well, and them give me like one look, me say all right, medium. But if them not give me a look, my first choice I'm gonna go medium well. Medium well means it only have a little bit of red in the middle.
And then the one under that is called the tomahawk. And
tomahawk is more. Tomahawk is higher in quality, but for my personal taste, it come lower on the list. But that is a way higher quality steak than a ribeye.
Oh, all right. Well, filet mignon. That one there.
All right, filet mignon. I don't like filet mignon because
is filet mignon a cut, or is that like what you said? The quality of the meat?
That's a cut.
Filet mignon is a cut.
Yes, and it's more meat than fat. Like filet mignon almost have like no fat, right? You have to cook that have to cook, and it's a thick cut of meat. So if you order like a filet mignon well done, you're gonna shake the table. Cause the amount of muscle, so you have to do for cut it, throw away. It's not worth it. You're gonna be chewing forever. It's gonna be so tough.
Hold on. Do me a favor. Can we just go through them, please?
Sure.
Yeah, filet mignon.
Yes,
right?
more meat than fat.
More meat than fat. You have
Lean cut.
sirloin is a cut.
Sirloin is a cut, correct.
Okay.
More lean than
Filet
fat
mignon,
also.
sirloin, prime is a cut, right?
No, prime is a quality of meat.
A quality cut. Sorry. Filet mignon.
Unless, hold on. The exception to that is if you're talking about prime rib. But overall, when you hear somebody say USDA prime or prime, they are talking about the quality of the meat.
Is it accurate to say that we have gone over around 8 different cut, then 8 to 10
Yes,
different cuts so far?
look how big a cow is. Of course you've gone through them. Continue, go again. Go again.
You know, so we got sense though. But of course we're gonna go through about 10. Look how big the cow is. We have a whole heap of cut upon the cow. I want me to use Mr. Sar.
So you go filet mignon, you go ribeye, you go sirloin, you go chuck.
You go chuck. You go
tomahawk. You go porterhouse. The one I was telling you in Brazil, picanha.
No, not about picanha. We're talking about the one them up here. I could go and work with the one them up here.
Some restaurant offer that one, but I don't remember the name of it. I think it's called rib top something. I don't remember the name in English. But yes, those 5 that I just named. New York strip. I forgot we didn't name that one. New York strip.
That is a cut too.
Yes.
You know, so I didn't appreciate the scope and the diversity and I didn't. You just
Angus is not a cut. Somebody wrote in the comments, Angus. Angus is not a cut. Angus
Killer
is
Milan no sense. Killer Milan no sense.
No, don't say he don't have no sense because
No, man, no. Him understand
you might
me.
see it.
I want away. You know, Joe, 23, you know, him know what me do. You ever see him post saying you laugh and what?
Somebody wrote in the comments, she knows her meat. Yes, I do.
Excuse me, you're proud of that, though. You know good meat, though. And what is interesting is that
talk about restaurant and price. We're not gonna take some front, you know.
But what is good is that you know good meat from the taste.
Yep.
Nothing
wrong.
When we think that it's not just an intellectual component to it, there's a practical element there for you. You know, you understand the meat. You know,
somebody write in the comment, that's not true. Filet mignon is very tender. Filet mignon is a what you call it? Filet mignon is mostly meat. So if the person cooks it well done, it's a thick cut of just meat. There's nothing to make it tender because you cooked it well done. You're gonna feel like you're chewing leather. That is not a meat where you're gonna cook well done. Never. If you want to cook it well done and bust your jaw, I try if I went on a date with somebody and they did, I'm going to be sitting there looking at them like, your jawbone not tired.
Let me tell you the problem I have with it too. I don't know if anybody. Even when you get it well done.
Oh, T-bone. Sorry, T-bone. Somebody wrote T-bone. I forgot that's the next cut.
Yeah. Even when you do it well done, because it's never seasoned to our standard, you still have to make some adjustment in your mind in terms of what you're used to as a Jamaican and say, this not tastes good, but me I go eat it.
So,
because
I would disagree.
Hold on, well done.
Okay.
I'm telling you what Jamaicans go through. I'm telling you what Jamaicans go through.
I'm going to add a caveat, but go ahead.
All right, well on. Jamaicans, if what I'm about to say is true, say true. If it's not true, say not true.
I'm going to add a caveat. I agree with you before you even say it.
Is it not the case that even when we go there, for many of us, and we eat it well done, all things being equal, if we did have to make that choice by ourselves, we wouldn't take it. But you would dead it and we go there and decide you depend on a date or whatever. In our mind, it's the closest thing to what our standard is, our minimum standard. So we work with it. So even when we eat it, see, true.
All right,
so even when we eat it, we still not really enjoy it the way
Mega ask, you
What
know
we
why?
used to when we
Mega
eat
tell you why.
meat, you know.
All right. When you cook something well done, right? Mega use stew beef. Stew beef is something where it cook all the way, right? These are cuts of meat. As a matter of fact, stew beef is usually chuck steak, by the way. That cube beef is usually chuck. When you make stew beef, there's two things that's going to allow it to taste the way it tastes. Is one, stew beef have gravy associated with it, right? Second thing, stew beef has something where you season before.
Duh.
Hold on. So what I'm saying is the reason why it only tastes good when you cook it well done is because of those two things. But if you get a steak, that's why I'm trying to encourage you guys. If you go and get steak, do not get it well done because it's not gonna taste good without the seasoning and without the gravy. You have to eat it medium or medium well because especially with certain cut, that is when the flavor comes out of it. But if you cook it well done, it's like you're not eating anything. You have to add those stuff. If you eat it medium well or medium, the flavor from within the beef comes out. Also, when a lot of those restaurants that you go to like steakhouses, if you eat a ribeye and you cook it medium or medium well, when
No, no,
they're
hold on,
searing
hold
it,
on.
they
I
use
hear what you're
garlic,
saying, you know,
salt,
but
and
what?
pepper.
No, but what you're not. I see. I see you. I hear what you're saying, but you see, you're not understanding that you know this whole thing about an acquired taste, right?
Yes, I agree.
Hold on. So you see what you just said, like. Don't do it well done because it's not seasoned or whatever. So you have to do it medium to bring out the flavor. Therein lies the chasm.
The problem.
Right.
Okay.
It's not even a problem. Therein lies the problem because you're not wrong and we're not wrong. Because what you're referring to and say bring out the flavor, what you have to appreciate is that we don't give a fuck about that flavor. That is not a flavor that appeals to us.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You know, that is but I understand how it appeals to some. Because when he said the flavor of the beef, for the average Caribbean person eating a meat, it's about the seasoning and how you cook it and how long you cook it. If it cook good,
Listen.
that is what enough in their mind. So
Listen to me.
That is what they're raised with, and that them say, oh, this tastes good. Because you man should know if see some meat. That's how we talk. So
I am gonna tell you,
for
outside
many of
of
us,
steak,
we don't really care about the flavor of the beef by itself.
All right, so hear me out. Outside of this steak topic that we're talking about, I am 100% with you. My food, I feel well. I'm not run them serious joke when it come to food. Especially a lot of people come up here and them say, "Oh, me used to my Jamaican food and me was chef back home." And when you check, them used to work past site, so them don't really know nothing about Jamaican food. Them just attack because they come from Jamaica and they want to assume or they want to imply that they know good food. So I am not gonna act like that is not my motto as well. My food I feel well seasoned, but it is through trial and error of me eating steak over the years in which I've learned certain things. Like I learned what I like and what I don't like. For example, I was telling you, I don't eat chuck steak. I don't eat sirloin. I don't eat those, right? Because they don't taste good enough.
I get that, you know, but I see you and I see Shanae Marie. You're still kind, and you mentioned it earlier. You're still in this zone of advocacy because you have you know, you're now at a point where you appreciate, you know, some
Right.
a particular.
Well, I'm not listen. I am not
saying,
saying nobody have to try it.
No, but Shanae is. Shanae is.
Oh no.
I'm just giving an
I am
example.
not saying no.
Hold on. I'm just seeing what Shanae posts, and she's just stubbornly think like, if you try it, you like it.
No, that's not true. That's not true.
And all I'm saying is, some people might, but some people won't. It's
No,
because it's just
no,
not
you don't
us,
have
right?
to.
So we're happy for you, Shanae, that you try it and you like it and whatever. And then you have other people who may try it and like it. But it's just common statistical sense based on socialization, what people were raised with and so forth. And not just Jamaican, because I know Latinos were like that. I go to Latino country and then cook the meat. Them cook them meat, them season it
Right,
and them cook it.
true.
Right?
If you ever
Right, true.
hold on, if you ever go DR, Dominican Republic have
DR,
a
the
lot
Dominican
of
Republic,
food.
Colombia.
that
I went to Colombia and
Colombia
them
too.
cook food. Them cook. So I don't want you to think that and them don't in this thing either with
No,
this
they don't
steak,
play that.
you know.
No.
They don't play that. So I just want, so I would like to suggest to the people, like, what if you try it and
No, I don't.
we're
I
happy
never.
for you.
I
You're
never.
there.
I never push.
You're there.
I never.
But there's nothing wrong with us who we try it and thing and we it just doesn't appeal to us, you know.
What I will say is it'll be okay. I will not I won't go into that realm of advocacy like you said. I am not pushing nobody to try any food, right? None. What I will say is if you do decide to eat the steak and you order it well done, you may not have a pleasant experience with it. It may turn you off. Reason being is because when it is cooked in that manner, and remember, this is not a food that is it does not originate in Jamaican cuisine, right? So it is not, when you try to add, I guess, the practices that we would use in Jamaican cuisine to apply to it, you're not going to get the experience or the taste that you would want or that you would expect. You're not going to get that good feeling about it. Like you said, you're going to eat it because it's just there. Like you go to a restaurant and have steak and you just have to eat it just cause. But honestly, it's not a thing where you order it well done and you're gonna be like, oh my god, this tastes so good. I'm sorry, it's not gonna be a pleasant experience.
Yeah,
I'm not
for
gonna push
most
you to
for
eat.
most
For
people
most,
they eat it and it's just an
it's just that
approximation of the minimum standard and them work with it.
right,
And thing.
right.
But
That's what I would say. But yes, sir, them have a different cut and how you cook it and some restaurants they use only salt, pepper, and butter. Some restaurant them season it. They put they say crusted steak. So that crusted steak is actually powder seasoning that them put on the top and the two sides of the steak. So that may be a little bit better for somebody who's looking for something more than just salt and pepper. You see, some people use steak sauce. I call steak sauce ghetto, but to each his own. You can eat steak sauce, but like when we see the people that might eat A1 steak sauce. But
hold on. That is what they do. For the most part, most of these people and whatever, particularly if you go to somebody's home, for them them send them cook it or them whatever them do, them grill it. And then it's all about the sauce where you put on it. But that is a standard thing. Hold on. That is a standard thing. If you go these wings places and them get 30 different things and whatever, them cook the chicken the same way and all them do them give you the sauce on it.
No, but that's a chicken. We talking about a steakhouse. You go, let's say you go to a steakhouse.
No, hold on, no man, you're not listening what me I say, man. Me I say it's a thing here in America where it's about putting the sauce on it after. So you get your preference with the sauce after, right? There's a thing here. The common one is the A1 steak sauce, right? And again, that just kind of goes against where we raise with the seasoning. And by the way, I know black people in the South, and even some white people in the South, who season them steak before and have in a bucket too and then them grill it the next day. So you do
like
have
when you go to smokehouse, they do that. Like when you go, like in Texas, when you go to smokehouses where they have the ribs on, so they have it seasoned in a bucket and then they put it on the grill right away. Right.
Yeah. And you have to go to like a select restaurant up on that side, yeah, the northeast. Forget that something there, and then we say something like Cajun or what, and you know, say you have to get that something there and thing like that.
Yeah. And they have it soaking.
But you have to understand, when I came here, I was in Northwest Connecticut, and I was on a camp. And we'd have to eat what they'd cook that day there and whatever. Get up on an institution. And it was just really rough for me when the steak thing come out. They just literally put the steak on it. They were asking, how do you want it? Me, so me just say, well done. And then me just eat it because me did have to eat something else. Me I go drop down. Yeah,
That must it tough like leather.
Yeah, I'ma put the A1 steak sauce on it and thing and whatever. And then up there, so now when you go different restaurant, it's the same options that come. I didn't know. You say all them something where you just said. Me never understand that at my age and whatever. Again, but it's not my world though. So yeah, I mean that is understandable.
I remember I went to STK one time, and me and my friend had a bet. We was trying to see how long we could go without eating meat. But I had to go to STK because it was somebody's birthday dinner. And I said to them, do you guys have any non-meat options? Remember, I said me in a steakhouse. So they're already looking at me like, what the hell are you asking us? You're in a steakhouse and you're asking non-meat? So they say, yes, so we actually have a seared tuna. Now, when me hear tuna, me I think about, the tuna fish. I'm thinking of canned tuna, but of course they have the fresh tuna. They said the seared tuna. I said, okay, no problem. Raga, them put it on it, them cut the piece of, this is the real tuna fish, not the canned one. Them take it, them cut the fillet of it. They then sear the two side of the fish and carry it, come gimme. Sear the two side and put some little like garnish on the plate with some mashed potato. And them said, this is our seared tuna. This something red like, when me say red. And now, at that time, I had never seen tuna like that, right? I had seen tuna in sushi, but I had never seen, or in canned tuna, but I had never seen tuna cut like the fillet and sear upon the two side, them fried the nice upon the two side, and the middle like raw.
Well, I might try bringing some other people. Might try bringing some other people here for talk and thing. But
okay. Go ahead. Later on.
More work with the fish there, so too, and whatever. Like, can me use to sushi that way there and thing. Real quickly though,
right.
real quick before you go.
Yes.
I have to say though that Wegu where them want call him. Me no know what go on this, so but when I was in Thailand and I had it did look red.
It melts in your mouth. They massage that meat.
But the way of them cook it, me no know what them do. But me see the red in it. But in Thailand, they use more spices and seasoning too over there, right?
Yes, they do.
They do. Not as much as we still, but them use more. And them spices and seasoning, they tend to taste good. They make food taste good over there.
Thai is my second favorite food.
Right.
After
so
Jamaican Thai is my second favorite.
When I had that, and it have the red pan it and them cut it thin, it tastes good. I enjoyed it.
I love it.
I enjoyed it.
It's so expensive, but I love it.
If you ask me what it was, if it is this medium, me don't know. Me just know say it tastes good when I had it.
Well, Wagyu is some place them not even want to put nothing on it. I've had it when I had it. It was when I have had Wagyu twice. Once it was from a Thai place up here, and the second time it was a Japanese place. The Japanese place said the way how them believe in them Wagyu, you cannot put no season on it. Them want you just eat it just so. Cause them say the meat have so much. That's how them say. But being that when I had it that time, I had it from the Thai place already before. They said no, can't add little season on it. It's gonna make it taste nicer. Them said no.
But hold on. In Thailand though, it's a flex to say your Wagyu come from Japan, even in Thailand, right? Like you have to pay more
Here
for
too.
it. Yeah,
Here
in
too.
Thailand, you know, to them to genuine Japanese
Wagyu.
Yeah, right. Anyway, let me bring you some of that. Thank you so much, though.
All right, man.
I learned a lot from you today. You could tell that I was just like woefully ignorant about the characterization
Well, I'm
and the
usually
different
always
things.
learning from you, so today me get to switch it around.
There you go. There you go. That's how it's supposed to be. That's how it's supposed to be. I learned a lot from you today, you know, and I dare
No.
say that based on what you shared, I'm inclined now to say, all right, I want a ribeye medium. I want to try it. No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Try,
I'm
no,
gonna do it.
try. Don't
No,
go
I'm
to
gonna
no.
try.
Listen, when you do it, go to one nice steakhouse. No go on no dibby something.
Don't go to one them like with dog bite go.
Dog bite. I
What?
go. What the place name? What the burger place from the 90s? Steak and Shake. No go
No,
this.
no. Dog bite steak come from Nathan's. That is more known for
Hey,
hot dogs, but I guess something
hey.
get for him here.
Yeah.
The steak with dog bite is
Dog. Where you
Nathan's
say?
and
Dog
IHOP.
bite.
You know,
Dog bite have
Nathan,
mystery meat.
no, you know, Nathan's is known for hot dog and IHOP is known for pancakes.
Yeah.
That's where dog bite gets his
Yeah.
steaks. Okay, I just him get fish
Dog
steak.
bite
them
get
and
him
thing.
steak from IHOP.
So,
I see me just a drive past
he is
IHOP
in no
right
way as
now.
qualified with you on this. All right. Bless up yourself.
Where dog
Thanks.
bite is spoil meat. All right.
All right. Cool.
All right.
No, I mean, I appreciate that discourse just now. I learned a lot. I learned a lot because, to be honest with you, I really didn't care for. I didn't have any problem with it, you know. I wasn't condemning or things or something wrong. The blue and the rear miss me with that. But again, you know, it's for me, I know I see people on the internet saying, no, don't cook your meat, eat raw meat. One black man twin and I eat the raw meat. And I'm like, no. Right. So I just didn't check it out, you know. So just having 23, like I explain them look at something of that and thing, you know, like calm delivery and with an appropriate dose of enthusiasm behind it and thing, you know. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try that. Perhaps I shouldn't go medium, but I got the sense from 23 that even the ribeye, you're not supposed to go medium well. You're supposed to stay in medium. Me not busy when a waiter go say to me and whatever. I think I will start there. Medium well with a ribeye. And this is just some of 23 just explain. I want to see how that tastes. Right? And hopefully I can go to a good steakhouse and thing. I'm a bit of a foodie, you know. And I'm particularly interested with food and culture. Like the meanings placed on food with culture, you know. Cultural meanings, that is. So I always try stuff. And a lot of stuff I try I don't like. I do have a red line though. When I went to Ghana, I tried stuff. When I went to the country up in Ghana, they eat animals up there just like they eat animals all over Africa. But what an animal is a bush rat. And they were like, come try it. And then cook it up and season and then put it on. I'm like, yeah, but you've been trying stuff and whatever. I'm like, not that one, not that. It's just meat, like the other meat, them where you try. We're not having that. But it's bush in. Don't when you hear rat people, don't think rat will run up and down in a city. Another what there. It's almost like it's like I don't explain it. It's like it's not. Don't think city rat or New York city rat or house rat or another rat there. It's like it's a rat. It's a rodent, but me still not eat it. Still not eat it. I've had alligator meat in Florida, what tastes good. Yeah. And again, it's all about the seasoning. Dog bite, I don't know what I'm going to say, because I see it a show you and TikTok is just giving all these problems and things, you know, and it a show. I'm seeing a couple people here, but then when you go in at me now soon, I say, oh, one come up back, right? Right? Dog bite, it's showing you and a bunch of people say you're supposed to be in the chat, but you're not in the chat, so I don't know. You see it weird? It show himself in the chat, but him not in the chat. Then it stop show himself in the chat, and then him in the chat. Ah, no, TikTok. Yo.
Yo, go on.
There, man, what you say?
Yeah, man, me love camel meat.
For real?
Yeah, man. At one place, never eat it still, though. I never see it nowhere else. When they go to Middle East.
When you went to the Middle East, right?
In Dubai. That's not the only time here. And them cook it good.
You see, I didn't even know that them eat that's like, to me, all right, when you say that, to me, it's like saying, see people I ride horse and them eat horse meat.
Yeah. When the person, them serve somebody, I say, what that? And the guy say, camel. I say, it smells real good. Let me say, give me a sample. And him sample, me taste a sample, thing bad, so me just order. Tastes good. It lean, you know, the meat lean bad.
No, but what I'm
Tender.
saying, that the camel over there is domesticated in the form like a donkey is domesticated.
No, them have camel farmer, them raise camel different from the one them use.
No, but I'm saying, I didn't know that. I didn't know
they raise camel meat expensive.
Don't say of course, I'm telling you, don't say of course.
Yeah,
I didn't know that. I did not know that. So don't say of course. Right. As in like, oh, come you don't know that. And when you go over there, you know that.
When I say you bright boy, you know, so you're supposed to know.
No, but when you go over there, you know that.
Yeah,
so
come never know that
like you want to come I but of course. Move your ass.
That's true, guy.
But of course.
No man, but it coming like we don't eat deer and we eat goat. And the deer meat is really lean.
Wait, who not eat deer? Who not eat deer?
Jamaican don't really eat deer.
No, them not exposed to it.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. That's what I mean. I said like with our culture, like But
no, are you saying that Jamaicans wouldn't eat deer?
No, man, Jamaican eat deer, but I'm saying we're not really exposed to deer like we exposed to goat.
Right.
And what me if you say Kona there in a way name there. So me I said then Kona there Jamaica. 23 did say we learn a lot from her today. But me asked her about round cut, but she never did answer me because she left out round cut. She did say round cut?
No.
Okay. A round cut are the meaty part. The part there the meat are the most.
Man,
the thickest part that.
It's funny you said about the deer and the goat, you know, because where I was in Connecticut, them not eat goat, you know, but them eat deer.
Yeah.
Them pet goat.
Yeah, them pet goat. People.
Them pet goat. Yeah. They don't eat goat.
They don't eat goat are pet. Them
where I was
goat,
in Connecticut, you know, them don't eat the goat. Them pet the goat, but them eat the deer. Them kill deer regularly. And then now for many of we who grew up with Bambi, our instinct is to pet the deer. Like you did watch the movie My Cousin Vinny?
Yes.
And there was that famous scene with what's her name there and Joe Pesci and thing, and she's just like, why you go hey, me did that with one girl, you know. And deer killing was for them thing, you know. It's just you know them family they were whatever. And you know, we did that go through ups and downs in our relationship, you know. And then one day our father invite me to come kill deer with him. Cause him I go shoot deer. And all I did was I said, Mr. Plord, you know, I'll go with you. But if it's okay, I prefer not to shoot a deer. And him go, why? I'm saying, it's just. He said, but you eat meat and them kill a cow and things. So I'm gonna say, no, you just you know, my sensibilities today. I mean, if I was in the wild and I have to survive or whatever, I'd kill a deer. But I'm saying right now, by choice, so I don't want to go out there and then, I say I don't want to kill a deer and you'll be upset. So I'm just telling him. And then him just calmly say, it's okay, you don't have to come with him, And I get it. I must say, no, the way our things set and you feel them kind of ambiguity about there, you're not later on in the evening, she was very upset, Yeah, and she said, you don't even understand the way hunters are. They don't invite people, and if them invite you, it means
You're special.
Yeah,
You're
it's
special.
like, say, all right, we're going to allow you in our sacred space and whatever.
Okay.
And she had gone under pressure. I said, listen to me, I'm not kill no deer, I'm not shoot no deer, I don't want to kill no deer and whatever. I said, right now, I don't even, if me eat beef and whatever, I tell her one time, them, I don't know, one place off Spanish Town, De La Creek. And the man, dog bite, the man roll up a rabbit, cute look, rabbit cute and then look nice and cute. And the man roll up the man just scap a rabbit, then with the hammer and just clot a rabbit, and bust the rabbit in and bust it, and then cook it and give me. I couldn't eat it. I say, come see when them kill a rabbit.
Right, rabbit meat. Sweet.
So them tell me, say me a hypocrite, and them say, oh, you think the cow them dead? And it's true. It's true, because them brute, because I see them kill a cow too, and it, when you see it, when you see it, it's like, oh God, type of thing. I said, but I don't know. Me never want to kill it. Me never want to eat the rabbit, but we still eat the cow and the goat I grew up with.
Yeah, the Caucasian people take the hunting very serious. My friend I meet down here, and them have him the 4 different type of him the fishing, and him the hunting. And I forget specific licensing because certain animals they can't hunt a certain time or whatever.
Right.
And him when him go away, him invite me to one place in Tennessee. Where some place there, I said, I'm not gonna wear hunting after me watch show when them go hunting and the black man them not come back.
And the black man them not come back.
But when him do the deer hunting, cause him teach him kids him buy gun for them and him carry them go hunting. And then them kill them first, kill them, come back with the head and the horn and the this and the whatever.
Yeah, and they have these rituals. And it's almost like a transition into a level of masculinity. It's like,
there you go.
Son, you're becoming a man right now. Type of
and
thing.
They also hunt snake, and the snake where them go hunt is a rattler, the dangerous rattlesnake. And you have certain part of the country where them go hunt rattlesnake, whatever. And them something can kill them, and then carry them kids, them go teach them how to kill. And them eat all of them something, then them eat the snake, them eat snake. You know what me can't believe when the guy tell me say they're going to squirrel hunting. Me say we never kill a poor squirrel. Them say no, we eat them. Me say what you mean, but them catch a whole heap. Them have to kill a whole heap of squirrel. Me not talking 1 dozen or 2 dozen. Sometimes them all have 100 squirrels.
No, I mean, no,
You ever heard of possum?
Yeah, and then eat possum too.
Yes, then that the guy that said Jesus Christ.
Me not eat no squirrel.
Eat what,
you man? Not eat no possum.
So when they come back with the catch,
squirrel is too cute. Mark you doing, I was one of them who was just like, I don't know if you remember, there was this big thing over here in America. If you go over Asia, go save the dog them. You remember? You don't even remember. Them forgot them want to go China, go save the dog.
Because dog are delicacy at them place and cat.
Right, no, but there was this big thing too, like, I mean, hear them, I said, they're such, what talk about the Chinese, they're just so cruel, they're just so animals, and they're killing the poor dog. These are all meat eaters over here who eat pig, them eat cow, them eat goat, and thing, and them the ram fin them have to sit and have big dinner with them over there, whatever, But somehow the dog and the cat, them more special than the so and so, and them a judge the people them. But that exists in every culture.
Right,
based on your socialization, right? Right? We go over the Eastern Caribbean, they might eat frog legs and sitting down, but you can't get Jamaicans to eat that and whatever. No. But them grew up with it and thing, you understand? So I just you for know, saying you have a comfort zone that you were raised in, and there's nothing wrong with that. Be careful how you judge others now who are in a different comfort zone and whatever and things. So You find say when me there on the Jamaican Rasta them or the vegan, or you're the Jamaican Rasta them have a thing for refer you're flesh eater. You're flesh. You see, once I'm there, I shut down and I leave. Right? Screw you, whatever with you and whatever. You understand? Don't judge me. You understand? Whatever. Because the irony is, we are all here. All human beings are here because our ancestors ate meat.
Of course. And that's survival.
Right? Because our ancestors figured out how to get meat. And that is why a lot of people don't know. Back in the day, our ancestors, they rarely lived past 30, you know.
No, yeah, that's true. Because when certain sickness come in, them couldn't.
All human beings rarely lived past 30. The most human beings died in them 20s and thing. And you have some past 30 or whatever. And see, we're up in a 70, 80, that is whatever. You have, you know, people go to the
96.
And that has to do with adjustment in the diet. And
Dietary.
like that. You understand what I say? But I just, if you appreciate looking at Jamaica, a lot of people don't know, say, a great many people eat mangoes in Jamaica. Cook him up, season up, and thing like that.
No, me don't know about that. Mangoes?
Mangoes.
I first me I hear that. Mangoes? Me know say mangoes that a killer. Them go down there for kill snake and then they start me and the chicken.
All who know say you have Jamaicans who eat mangoes, indicate it in the chat. Say yes if you didn't know. See it there? La Vita Lota, yes, do. Dun. French's kids say a lie. Laurie Bella say yes. T say L no, sir. Angelelli say yes. None of them eat mangoes in Jamaica. Yeah.
Yeah, but back to 23 there, I say, you say the guy, say the moose are one of the best tasting animal me hear where them kill up in Canada, the moose. Me never have it, but me hear say the moose. But me say the moose eat good.
No, both of them. Both of them. It's supposed to be great meat. Moose and elk. Both of them.
Yeah, you ever eat moose?
No. And Jameli does it, every day.
No, but I'm serious. Me say moose are good eating meat.
No, I'm saying no moose. The wood one, the deer one, what they call venison. You know about elk, right?
Yeah, elk are the one of the big hand, the whelper hand.
And of course, you know about bison and
bison. Yeah, bison and another one. Bison deer, and bison meat deer, you know.
No. I'm agreeing with you that the standard out there that it's great meat, right? Because, but it's supposed to be great meat because they're known for being lean and rich and thing and maybe Canada all the while, but the truth is, is it true where Canada located? One, right? Coal and where coal do for things, it preserves stuff and all them stuff like that. And the topography, the geography and the topography of Canada and so all in confluence, in my opinion, it served to make everything better. No.
That's true.
No. You know that I know people is Canada saltfish them one?
Yes, just like how they want Canada bacon. The Canadian bacon.
Canada bacon, right?
Right, yeah.
Do you know that Canada is known for having some of the best water in the world?
Yeah, yes.
In the world. When we say world, we're not talking about North America, like best
worldwide,
water in the world. Canada is known for that, and things like that. A lot of things up in Canada is just exceptional based on the geography and topography of Canada. The food and thing and whatever, it's that organic quality and just, I don't know, I don't know if for the soil or whatever. It's a lot of things are just, of course, the fish and them something there is a big deal. Seafood and thing with them and thing. I just know that separately from that, it has nothing to do with the geography or the top. You and I know, we have discussed this, is that I don't know why, with all that great diet and thing that them have up there, make them sort out pop down.
Pop down, yeah.
They sort
Yeah.
out. You and I, we know that them
Yeah,
sort
we
out
know that
pop
for a
down and
fact.
thing.
I experienced it when I was living there, so I know exactly.
We
what
know,
goes on.
you and I, we know some Canadian people them sort of
Pop right down to the ground.
which is a bit of a contradiction, given that they have all that good stuff up there and whatever. And
then the
because you know
performance
you
we
are
eat.
what you eat, and then you know,
Yeah.
so
No enough for
whatever,
them
but
case.
not enough for them case, not enough for them case, and thing, and that constitute perhaps one of the you ever hear about the French paradox, that the French eat a lot of pastry and things like that, but you know, it should result in a certain level of heart disease, which is not there.
They don't have it.
And think, and well, it's the same thing in Canada. Given that there's so many things on the level of the culinary that is really exceptional, recognized as such, you know, by empirical standards, by all sort of credentialing bodies all over who are very credible in their conclusions. And they have so many good things up there, yet them sort out pop down and whatever. It's
You know,
one of those
me that get
contradictions.
Sonia a pass.
Oh, Sonia?
Yeah, she sound like her thing. Although they did find her virginity when they did go what the country name again? She from
Grenada,
yeah. But she kinda sound like say she half decent, Sonia.
You mean with our Sato?
Yes, me not think it fully. Me not think it fully pop. Me think it have a little crack in it, but it not fully pop down.
Right. But you heard she and I had a robust debate early, and she's of the opinion that she would decimate me should we engage in intimate consorting and things like that. And I held my own verbally. That is that I think the opposite would be true, that she would be destroyed, like pleasurably so, should she and I interact on that level. Being a seasoned veteran in your assessment of these matters and things like that, and given that you have some understanding of you don't know her thoroughly, but you have some sense of what she might be capable of, and given that you have known me for years and whatever, if she and I were to engage in some activities and whatever, who do you think would prevail, in terms of like disciplining the other?
Well, based on previous conversation, past conversation you guys have, I'm listening to her, and I mentioned one time I heard you mention the monkey knuckle, and she was like, she was lost. She didn't know what the monkey knuckle style was.
Yeah, she never
that
knew the
alone
monkey.
tell me that she's an handicap pertaining to that, and you'd have decimate her and really destroy her. Because
Indeed, my brother.
If she don't know the monkey knuckle, it make no sense.
Right. No, she didn't even know the catch and quint, if you will recall.
That
She
even
never
worse.
know the catch
And
and
that's
quint.
a common pose.
And that is a common thing. Oh, you know, if you know the catch and quint, and you're from the Caribbean.
Cause even Navlet know that.
Even Navlet know the catch
with
and
her
quint,
pop
right?
down foot.
No, look, Navlet do a straight foot back, as I'm nearly mash up the whole of her foot and whatever, because she's not supposed to do a straight foot back as at her age in her shape.
Right.
But she learned her lesson. But at least Navlet knew what the catch and quint was, right?
Yes, right.
Right?
But at least
no woman who claim that she, worth her salt and, self-respecting in terms of her capabilities when it comes to sort out. You can be on a level that you claim you're that good, but you don't know the catch and quint. It's like, get the fuck out of here. What's wrong with you? You're a baby. You're not, what's going on? What you were saying, my brother, what were you saying?
No, may I say, and even Delmarine, the hog rider, she at least she's there California and she learn a lot. But to really compare the Canadian to the American, it's like a disgrace.
That's a disgrace. I mean, with Delmarine now, I think we can just make some assumptions, there. I mean, I don't know. I don't think she's that good. But give it that she rode those hogs. Give it that she rode those hogs for so long up in Constitution Hill. I mean, remember now, riding those hogs is a sustained condition of porky and porky. right? So
A
she
lot
would
of
have
painting.
acquired, yes, she would
Yeah.
have
And she
acquired
have to catch. She have to
some
catch spot.
yeah,
Yeah.
right, and she would
Yeah.
have to have acquired some physical conditioning there
Yes.
that I would imagine she would, would result in her being, sufficiently capable to hold her own and things like that.
She not gonna drop off.
From that sustained, continuous, perpetual porky endeavor enterprise on her part with those pigs and things like that. But at the same time, again, I don't think that Sonia can come anywhere close to Delmarine.
No. Sonia. But it's funny thing. If me as a Sonia the best out of the pack and she's so pop down, just imagine the others.
I bet you Delmarine heard about the Catch and Queen before. Wait,
Of course.
Delmarine, have you ever heard about the Catch and Queen? Let's see. This is gonna be seismic. If
Let me hear what she say. Okay.
No, we're gonna say Delmarine, have you ever heard of the Catch and Queen? Oh God, the tension, the stress.
Come, Del.
Come.
Don't let me down.
Oh, she said nope. She said no. Wow.
That's a disgrace.
Yeah, no, that's a letdown. That's a letdown.
Big time.
That's a letdown.
You can't believe it.
Do you think we should refer to Delmarine as a Canadian, no?
You should have some Canadian tendency in some of the time.
Yeah, because you don't know about the Catch and Queen and you start
Right,
to pop
yeah.
down.
And that's a basic maneuver.
We have to put you over there with the Canadian. Then
Yeah, she have to go to Canada. Look like she have to go over Vancouver because she did closer to that
she
side.
did over to that side. Yeah. Delmarine, from this day on henceforth, you're Canadian.
Yeah.
Okay.
But, I wonder if you want to ban her from the TamFam gathering when she no need to come.
No. She can't come. We just know what we just know what her situation is and things like that.
Very poor.
Yeah, but how can you be a self-respecting Jamaican woman considering yourself capable in that area? You don't know the Catch and Queen. Like, who doesn't? Like, seriously?
God.
Yeah, we can't understand if CBS don't know, and what they
No.
like that.
Yeah, but
Right.
CBS can't catch not even walk good much less for Quint. Although she's a fellow Floridian like myself, me just have to start
you do
the
a
show.
bad right. They say that you're boss already, right? No, man. You deal with that wicked right this a while. She said, that back, go look for your teeth and allow me.
What kind of teeth? We should talk about teeth.
That's just bitterness. No, that's just bitterness when the truth connect. Yeah, bitterness when the truth connect,
You know what? I got 19 after 9. I'm going to sleep because me have to do road by 3.
the work, man.
Yeah.
Man,
All right,
cool.
CBS darling, you have a lovely night, and Dog White loves you. All right.
Before you go, say All Good as in the chat. She's from Canada, and what you think?
All Good as.
Yeah.
You know what is it? You know what them normally do, Raga? To enhance themselves. You're the name where she go put good as. Good as at what?
So
good as
you're
good
familiar
as
with Al, Al Vibes and Jiggy and whatever, but what's your assessment? What's your assessment?
Where you good at? Watching
you know
people
things
doing
that she
things.
good. You know
Good
things
good at what? Anything else people give them name and I put both Sandra good as, Hal good as. No good as not done nowhere near a name there. She a try to lead
you
people
just a true
astray.
word, but you're a true word for Marcia good as to know then, right?
Yeah, of course. Anybody with the good as no really.
All right, okay.
None of them with no whatever.
But your best guess in terms of her capabilities, all good as like what you think? Like excellent, average, below average, like mediocre, like what? Dog bite.
She look like a gangster. Me just look on her face.
Yeah, you go look for all good at.
Yeah, man.
But you don't know all good as.
But you know, so sometimes you have so much people change them name. I have to double check to make sure
No, fear name never
and
changed. She has been
she,
all good at
yeah,
foundation
yeah,
TamFam of
she
that,
still,
you know.
I don't know,
Foundation TamFam of that, man.
yeah,
What you talk about?
but
What?
the picture, it should still look good if I really, so she look right, you know. I think she have a
No, me
look
not.
very dangerous, you know.
Yeah. So what you think? The look from okay, and what you
Just,
think?
yeah, and you know, me get a pass. I think this is the one of the real good ones.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
me gonna
but
take
in
back my
terms of
word.
capabilities,
Yeah, she look
in
capable.
that area,
She look real
you,
capable. Me not gonna lie.
you think I sort out up there, right?
Yeah, me think. Yeah, me
Okay,
no think.
all right,
Yeah, yeah. She look
okay.
capable.
You
Yeah,
look
she look
capable,
real
but
capable.
definitely way above Del Marine and son.
Nah, man, you can't. Del Marine, man, you can't. All good as look like say boy. No, sir. She make Al
Yeah,
Sharpton look like him not try, but you know, she look good. She look good. She really
I
look
know
good.
you were trying to make a point there, like kind of emphasize, but I'm throwing in Al Sharpton there with Al Good as wasn't good. No.
You just pop down
Me
the
know,
whole thing.
yeah, I mean, a big arrow, but that true in Al
But
Sharpton,
he pop down the whole thing.
yeah. Not do it again, yeah. Not do it.
I bet them minutes I'll be sure.
Well, you know, whatever, you know. So, all right, my brother, big up
I
yourself, bro.
later,
Well,
take it
yeah,
easy.
man,
All
protection.
right,
Cool.
cool. Good.
God. Yo, people, do remember the time from Jamaica trip, all right? July, I want to say July 24th to August 3rd, 9 days. 9 days in Jamaica, right? 9 days. It's a Jamaica culturecation, right? And no, it's fairly short time, but if you're interested in going again, we'll go with a minimum of 10 people and thing, and it's a culturecation. Culturecation. So it's something to do with culture and it's a vacation. So it's something to do with fun learning, and it also has to do with just enjoying different parts of Jamaica. All right. I'm taking you there. You have a pay for your trip, of course. Rio is where we're going to be based, right? In Ocho Rios, the one in Ocho Rios. And again, let me just let you know what we're going to do and the preliminary itinerary, right? So we're gonna go to over in Montego Bay side and thing where we're gonna look at I'm gonna do a presentation on the Arawaks, you know, also called it Tainos and early Jamaica. That is on so this is the culture side of the thing. That is over in Montego Bay in St. James. We're also going to look at I want you all to you know, and again, I know school. This is something we're going to find interesting for those of you who these things are appealing to. Slavery, wealth, and colonial power. We're going to explore that over in St. Anne at the Seville Great House and Heritage Park. And then we're going to look at the role of African labor in a sugarcane and rum economy. And we're going to go down to Appleton Estate and do that. So then we're also going to look at African retentions in maroon resistance. And I know many of you are familiar with Maroon Town on the St. James side, but I want to take you guys to the one on the Portland side, which is where is the Nanny side, the Kojo Akompong side. I think it's called Charlestown, the Maroon community. And it's just amazing that they still speak the Twi language up there. They speak Jamaican and so forth, but they also speak the Akan Twi language there. And that with a whole bunch of other African retention that still very much exists in Jamaica. And in my opinion, doesn't get the light that it should. It's not illuminated as much as it should. So I want to check out that. We also want to go to a Rastafari Livity in an indigenous community, experience Rasta philosophy, spirituality and resistance ideology, and the role that played in the evolution of the Jamaican culture, the Jamaican worldview. There's so much. Many of you believe in, practice, apply, implement, that came directly from Rasta Livity. That's what they call life, Livity. And thing that you don't know that is Rasta it come from. Even those language, there's a lot of things we want to do. Some obvious, Irie and them look at something that and thing. But of course, before people were proud of being black and whatever. Rasta said that long time. All kind of things. Many of the things we not do in the diet now, now look on them, check on the salt, on the sodium and all them. So Rasta do them something a long time. Many of them work out now and whatever. There was a time when nobody never work out in Jamaica. Only soldier work out and sitting and thing and whatever. Rasta do it long time and I push it long time and thing like that. I'm going to explore some of that. I want to take you all over to St. Thomas also for you to have a Kumina drumming session and ceremony. And again, the big thing with Kumina in Jamaica is that it's one of the strongest African retention, and in conjunction with Jamaicanisms over hundreds of years, have evolved a unique culture in the form of Kumina. But Kumina is not just the dance, Kumina is a way of being. You heard you're going to hear what a table is. You're going to hear the meanings of the drums and all these things and whatnot. The idea is you're Jamaican. Many of you can go Jamaica and enjoy Jamaica kind of used to in the country, but there's still a lot more you can learn about Jamaica that will make you even more empowered and proud of who you are at your core, and be comfortable with parts of yourself that others would seek to demonize, diminish, reduce, and think. You can be in a space where you can recognize and realize the value of those things about you by going through these type of things, okay? But we're also gonna have fun. I want to do a catamaran boat party. Those are fun. Yeah, look a drink, we go up on the catamaran and thing like that. You have multiple opportunities to do so on the Montego Bay side, down on the Hip Strip side, in the water down there. I've done Dungeon Falls 10 million times, but there are people who still want to do it. And I think if TamFamers are doing it, that would just bring a whole different color to it, where we'll enjoy ourselves, climbing Dungeon Falls. Down the road from that, well down the road, down that Exchange side, you have White River tubing. The tube, and you come down the White River, which they also do rafting on that. Also, you also have Dolphin Cove. I've done that already. It's quite touristy, but some people say they would want to do it. I want to do a riverside cooking, right? You go to a riverside for the day, and it's a thing now in Jamaica. They're doing it all over in different parishes, for groups and things. Some people even have like a little restaurant, and them cook at the riverside. So people go riverside and then think and it's a whole culture, a whole way of being there in a Jamaican context. The Boston Bay jerk heritage. You'd be surprised, what you can learn around jerk culture in terms of its genesis. The slaves started it, how they came about to, kill, the animals up in the mountains when they escaped from the plantation, and they used the pimento wood, to suppress the smoke so that those hunting them wouldn't see all kind of things then. And of course, we have to throw in a group visit to go over to Elaine. I want that as a potential thing we can do there, to go over Elaine and hang out over Elaine shop, over Elaine and Miss Bev. I put it in there, and over Pondy Rock shop to one thing. So this is a tentative itinerary. We can add and subtract and fix up and all these things and things like that and whatever. So again, something for you to think about, okay? I think I said 24th. It's Saturday, July 25th to Monday, August 3rd. Saturday, July 25th to Monday, August 3rd. Saturday, July 25th to Monday, August 3rd. If you want to know more about it, I did like an initial thing. They still need some cleaning and so forth. Over at tamfamtravel.com. tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com, tamfamtravel.com. We'll be traveling around, Emancipation Day and Independence Day, so things are a little pricey around Jamaica. around that time. And it's also an all-inclusive hotel, a fairly nice one, a pretty nice one, Rio in Ocho Rios. Many of you are familiar with it. And thing, very nice beach, Jiggy Hotel, nice place and thing and whatever. So it's a little pricey. So round trip from New York, round trip, non-stop. It's cheaper if you get a flight where you change a Charlotte or Florida or wherever. But round trip, non-stop thing with the hotel for 9 days, 9 nights, and 9 days and thing. It's going to be in excess of $5,000, right? That you can pay over time. In order to reserve your spot, you have to pay $1,200 to hold your spot. First come, first serve. If it's 2 person to the room, it don't double that. It's going to be over $8,000. If it's 3 person to the room, then it's going to be, I think, somewhere 10,000 something. So I'll give you the final figures and so forth. So for people who is double or triple, you get that discount there, obviously, and things like that. All right. So for those of you who are interested in going on this, again, send me a text at 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. That's the Jamaica Culturecation. The Jamaica Culturecation. Saturday, July 25th to Monday, August 3rd. I know it sounds a little long, 9 days. But I was trying to get in all this stuff and whatever. All right. We're going to do this yearly, right? So we see how that go next year too. If we can probably shorten it. Big Beer Sam recommend O'Shea's Kitchen in Portland. We'll see how that go, all right? We'll see how all of that go. Again, it's a Jamaica Culturecation, Saturday, July 25th to Monday, August 3rd. And again, for those of you who would arrange your own flight, depending on where you're coming from, the flight part of the package cost would be deducted, obviously. So what you'd pay over to the trip here would be less, okay? All right. So again, any questions there, give me a link, send me a text, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210, 516-500-0210. Now this thing is showing me a bunch of people, but they're not in the box. Again, people, even Elaine, it'll show you too, but you're not in the box, but it'll show you too, right? Carl Mem said, wanna try come visit my church, a revival church. We go, yeah, I wanted to put a revival thing on it. Anybody who grew up in a revival, I want to know about what town and them something there and thing, and that would be nice if we could do something like that. But you can't do everything, so like next year, me set it up right and thing. You see it? But remember, a raga juggle we done, and I make you know what is what. And all right. Oh, that number has WhatsApp too. So whatever link you want to make this on a minute. Okay. All right. Okay. What time is it? Yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to get up out of here. Oh. All right, Big Beer, me. You can tell me more about this O'Shea's. What's its appeal? What about it make it like, what about it that would make it like a good stop for the TamFamers to go, right, as we seek to finalize the itinerary. And again, remember, people, first come, first serve. First come, first serve. But I'll say, where you going and you don't have any wet in your bed? No, me not no wet in my bed. Yeah, I mean, bed the right, yes. My pillow, yeah. My winter pillow. One of my winter. See, it's fleece. I'm a fleece junkie. I like soft, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, those soft and thing, you know what I'm saying? Look at squeezings and thing, alright? Alright. Tal, you're disgusting, but oh, it looks so sticky. Yo, she terribly is it. She terribly is it. One love, why? Stop for. What's wrong? Here's my pillow. Y'all is so disgusting, man. I can't rub my pillow. I can't rub my pillow. I have a problem with me, I rub my pillow. Ladies. Yeah, I have a problem with me, I rub my pillow. You see it there? Massage my pillow, you know. Do that look at something. You tell, it seemed like you take the blue pill too early. No, a tree me take a that me fi tell you here. Alright, people, bless up on yourself. Kalia, girl, look like you've been waiting for this moment all your life. Yeah, sure, with my pillow, correct, right? Yes, you wanna liberty taking out a rink. Eh? Yes, you wanna terrible. I want to master about the way I go. I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying right here in my yard. You have a problem with that? You got a problem with that? Okay, remember, follow me if you're not follow me yet. And remember, if you're not registered over Big Yard yet, please do so. TamFamYard.com, 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 TamFamYard.com. Do remember, Sunday, the 22nd of this month, March, is the next edition of the Big Yard Sunday Dinner Food Fest. The Big Yard Sunday Dinner Food Fest, where you all cook a meal and just post it over Big Yard, all right? Post the picture of the meal that you cook, or even if you want to post a video over Big Yard, all right? You cook a meal and you post it on Sunday, the 22nd of this month. And we're looking forward to see Big Beer take it to the ANC them and beat Christina, beat Delmarine, beat the whole of them, right? Who a take set from Big Beer. Because when we're gonna pick up, you know, the reason why Big Beer food look him cook for himself, right? And people who cook for themselves very often not in and out presentation and a fix up nothing for whatever. You understand? So it's just like food cook and, you know, it tastes good and they eat food, right? So there's a big beer there and a Big Beer cook for himself. You understand? Right? So him not really in at the presentation. But now that him gonna present now and whatever, no found a career gone, right? So me notice from Big Beer say I'm gonna take it to Christina and whatever. She not post that much and whatever, you know. Yeah, she not even talk up too much and whatever and think she walk around with a kind of heavy burden upon her. A piece of weight upon her, man. You know, from Big Beer tell her, say, him a go cook and sort out him thing and make sure say it present nice and proper and whatever. From him say that Christina not herself. She not herself. Girl a fret. Girl get boomy. You see what I say? Boomy to the thing. Right? Hey, God. No, a Big Beer me a cheer for. A Big Beer me a cheer for. And Big Beer, you have to win. You have to win. Cheryl Bless, I think Big Beer is going to come out a winner this time. See that? Team Big Beer. Team Big Beer. Team Big Beer. They bust up the ANC them, you understand? Rinse out Christina, rinse out Delmarine. Well, Naki B can't cook, so we're not going to see nothing from she. Water down Camille porridge no count, so we're not going to see nothing from Munchie. Chrissy, I go busy a sort out, as she usually is, so we're not going to see nothing from Chrissy. Joan Legore, she can't cook or anything, so we're not going to see nothing from her. Milo, Empress Milo, just start go cook school, so we not go see nothing from she and thing. The only thing Natasha can cook is a good curry goat, so we may see something from she. I went, well, I don't know. Right? So tell me excuse already, but she go there at work and thing. Respect, juice media, big up yourself, Shade, you can't cook. Shade, you can't cook. For real, Shade? I look by her and I say, no, but Shade look like she can't put the two things together in a kitchen, man. Eh? I see a post up over big yard and I say Shade in the place, man. Shade step up in her place and thing and whenever I say and she look like she can cook too, you understand? So am I wrong? Shade say, hello, me can't try a thing. When one say them can't try a thing at Jamaica, whenever they say, I look at tin mackerel and white rice, that, I'm joking. Alright, people, bless upon yourself, Dr. Man, big up yourself, Jeremiah, me cook curry cow tongue Sunday. I had cow tongue once and it tasted really good, but I don't know, like good cooks in Jamaica, them can't make anything taste good. Anything tastes good, Shanae Marie, remember say we had this already, it was fun. People step out and thing, we had like some people who I think get up the ratings up them, so that sun that one upon the 22nd, it got hot too, You see it. Alright. Sunday, March 22nd. Big Yard Sunday dinner food fest, right? Cook your food and post a picture of your food. Right? Blessing. No. The running joke in Jamaica was that no part of the cow waste. Even the horn was used, That's something there. Anyway, people. Wait, now, let me see how I'm going here. Why Christina, I don't know how I'm going there because now it show you. Are you? Christina? Yeah. Are you it show now? Let's say you're in the chat, in the TikTok is going crazy, man. All right, people, big up on yourself here. Blessings and thing, and I'm Morris. Oh, remember, all who not follow me now over TikTok and subscribe to me over YouTube. All who not follow me yet here over TikTok and you're here, follow me right now. Follow me right now. And if you're over YouTube and you're not subscribed to me yet, subscribe to me right now, okay? Seeing. Sirloin and cut. Chuck is the cheapest cut, says Donna Robertson. The Java me said, dirty drunk or dog bite, leave CBS alone and go sleep. So you get dollars for buy. So you get dollars for buy box of chicken. People don't notice that Java never said nothing about the steak and thing, because she don't know nothing about them sitting there, RDP, big up yourself, cool. 99 people, blessings. Yeah. Oh, remember this week over Big Yard, it's selfie It's selfie modeling picture week. Selfie modeling picture week, all right? Post a picture of yourself or a picture, post a selfie or a modeling pic of yourself and things, see? Tired. Good night. And what that juice me that say I'm gonna post him on Dr. Mac. Why, you know, when you have confidence in a woman and all these things and whatever, you know, worry about a guy you try like him want come with some. None of them look a false prophet a come like them want come try and mash up me and Dr. Mac thing, you know, whatever, yeah. Yeah. Some boy a post them dream like a reality, right? But we know them delolo. In your dreams, those media, you can't mash up this. You can't mash up this. So you can't post no picture with you and Dr. Mac. Okay. Right? You can't mash up this about 666. You can't mash up this. Yeah. You don't worry yourself. Dr. Mac have full confidence in me and me have confidence in her. So when you look at careless chat, you know, come on and look at careless chat. I want to look at fly-by-night accusations and things like that. When I look for her, right, she know the thing set with her and me know the thing set with me. And that me I tell you, Joe's media. You can't mash up this. You can't mash up this. Go back to your munchie. Sean Naomi, Raga, I thought you were gone. Yeah, but somebody draw me out. One old cross is draw me out. I come and style up my people. Them don't come style up my lady. Okay? You see what Dr. Mark just post, Raga, only you can satisfy my soul. Somebody cuss a bad word. Somebody cuss a bad word, right? Somebody, I want you to elegantly release an indigenous Jamaican clot. Yeah, all right, there you go. Like cuss a bossy bad word. Somebody cuss a bossy bad word. You see what Dr. Mark said, only me, Raga, can satisfy her soul. Cuss a bossy bad word. Say something like Bumbleclot. Oh, God. Yeah. Margram, what's up? Yeah, CBS, yeah, Bumblecleat. Yeah. That's something they do. I mean, with that juice me, I said to Jeremiah, can't stay there. And I said Jeremiah's head not too good. And I said Jeremiah's head not too good. You can't mash up this juice media. Juice media, you can't mash up this. This is no Will and Jada and thing where entanglement are going out. A different something this year. This is no Will and Jada. Okay. Yeah, this solid and firm. This are the thing there. Right? Nobody now mash you up. And if anybody come smile up and we have a look at dinner and whatever, it's like, oh, a Bob and Rita to the end. To the end. No care what go down. To the end. You understand? All right, juice media. Go sit on one side. You know, go sit on by your step, man. Go sit down by your step in front of your house and thing and go, me no know, go eat ashama or something. That me I tell you, yeah? And leave this alone. This bigger than you, my youth. Juice media said, Dr. Mark, I can cut in like aisle. Watch ya? I'm not look on you, you know. Okay. Be a talk, you talk. Be a dream, you dream. Right? At least you have ambition. At least you have ambition, you want upgrade, right? You want upgrade your thing and whatever, but you know, your expectations gone too far. You're unrealistic in your quest right now, in your dreams and thing. But hold on upon your dreams and your fantasy same way and thing, all right? Yeah, just me there. Just go on in your bed and go talk and go dream about Dr. Mac and back your fist. Cause that's all you can do, right? Go dream about Dr. Mac and back your fist. That's all you can do, Juice Media, all right? That's the closest you go come. The closest you come to Dr. Mac and your own a palm. All right, so go enjoy yourself. Solo. You hear that? Okay, see it there? Boom salute, man, get a while ago. Yeah, that's what I'm here about. Shade, look how Raga defend Dr. Mac to. Oh, you mean, they don't hear she defend me. They mean have to defend her to. Real, no real. Who did it for me? Me did it for them. Brap, brap. Yes, what Dr. Mac say. What she post? One Raga to her thing. She said, one Raga to my thing. Know that. Right? One Raga in her thing. Know that. Okay. Sure, big up yourself, you know. Sure, you can't cook. Sure, cook something for the 22nd. Because you never cook something for the last one, you know, sure. Yeah? But cook something for the 22nd. Hey, people, I'm telling all the while, you know, I know I'm a broken record, but sure, bad pan the cooking, you know. Sure, cook something for the 22nd. Big yard Sunday dinner cook off. People are going to cook. We do one already, you know. You never did that one, you know, sure. So you have to do that one up on the 22nd. Sunday the 22nd. Just cook a meal and post it. Post a meal, post a picture or a video. Post a picture or a video, yeah? That's what I say. I'm looking forward to yours, sure. Because I'm always over on your page looking on your videos. Because you're bad like yours, man. You got some talented hands there, boo-boo. Yeah, you got some talented hands. Well, I say big respect to your hands, them here. Talent up. Yeah. Over Big Yard. Sure, we had a Sunday dinner cook-off over Big Yard recently where the TamFamers them cook and them just post the food. Where them can post a picture of the food where them cook. Okay? And we're inviting you to the next one for you to cook and post a picture or a video over Big Yard. Right? The last one was awesome. All right? So I'd be interested to see what you would cook because you cook interesting stuff, man. You cook stuff that stimulates one's culinary sensibilities in an provocative and engaging way, you know? That's how your cooking is. Sure, your cooking is sexy. And people, if you don't believe me, go over upon our wall and look on her cooking them. Sure, SHER. She in our chat, in the TikTok chat. Go over upon our wall, right? And you see a kind of classy sexiness to our thing, you know, with a corresponding skill, you know, for cook. You know, a variety of meals that are not just the run-of-the-mill every day sitting and whatever. And even when she's cooking something that can be considered like, you know, fairly regular or common or whatever, she just brings her little quality and her charisma and her personality to it in a way that makes it, you know, stand out in a, you know, not in an aggressive way, but in a kind of smooth, elegant way. And I sure got that thing, right? Watch ya, Juice Media, everybody something, you know. You know, see what him about Cheryl Bless wanna share kitchen space with me. People necessarily Juice Media, everybody sitting. Everybody sitting, right? Juice Media, community body. Community body. You understand? Trees, wagwan. Big up yourself, you know, trees. Anyway, I mean, this summer gone. I'm there going, all right, I'm going to leave, right? Juice me, that's a body of a share. Oh, God. Big up yourself, you know, trees. Straight blessing. Man. Okay, people. All right. Lego mints. Nine Morris.